Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defenders, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love. Teach us true respect for all. Stir response to duty's call. Strengthen us the weak to cherish. Give us visions lest we perish. Knowledge centers, heavenly Father, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all of us command.
Car ton bras s'est porté l'épée, il s'est porté la croix. Ton histoire est une épopée des plus brillants exploits.
God keep our land glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Hi, I am Donovan Simon, the president for the Jamaican Canadian Association Alberta, based here in Calgary, and I'd like to welcome you to the 2021 JCAA Cultural Showcase. But firstly, in the spirit of reconciliation, we acknowledge that we live, work, and play on the traditional territories of the Blackfoot Confederacy, the Siksika, Kainai, Piikani, the Tsuut'ina, the Stoney Nations, the Métis Nation, Region 3, and all people who make their homes in the Treaty 7 region of Southern Alberta. Again, welcome to the show. Thanks for taking the time to be a part of this cultural showcase. We're happy to share our culture with you. Over the next couple of hours, enjoy our music, or dance, or poetry, or vibes. While watching, understand that we're doing this to support many of our initiatives, our backpack program, our benevolent fund, our scholarship program. So we're hoping that while you have fun, you'll find it in your heart to donate to help us as we make all these things happen in our community. Again, welcome to the show, enjoy the vibes, and hopefully when it's all done, you would have spent your time well with us. Take care.
Our Father God, we come before you another day, and we just want to thank you for the success of this day, and we're asking you to cover us as we go through the day and give us a successful event. Guide us through this process. Keep us going, oh Father God. Watch over us. Send your angels on assignment that whatever can go wrong will not go wrong today, because you're here and you're with us. We ask for your guidance and your protection as we go. In your name I pray, amen.
Hi, I'm Shaggy. Lift your spirit. Sing, dance, chill like a Jamaican.
So now it's time for you to practice your dance moves.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
Okay, welcome everyone to the JCAA Cultural Benefit Showcase. I'm your host, Conrad Sterling, and with me is a lovely Nicole Lewis. Nicole, say hello to the people.
Hello, people.
Yes, so today we promise to give you a night filled with entertainment. We have dance, we have poetry reading, and we will also have some music, which I'm pretty sure you guys will really just be into. Now, before we start, we have some business to take care of. So, Nicole, share about our sponsors, please.
Okay, so thanks, Conrad. With this event, we could not have done it without our lovely sponsors. So before what you're seeing now, we had a little taste benefit earlier in the day, and we could not have done it without our sponsors. So we just want to say a big thank you to Grace, to Loblaw Company Limited, Wholesale Club. You can find them on 23rd Street. Kevin and Amanda's No Frills. You can find them in Temple. And the Superstore, you can find them on 20th Avenue. We also want to let you know that the jerk chicken that you had today was seasoned by Daddy C's Jerk Seasoning. Yes, so I hope we all hope you enjoyed that.
Yes, so we did have a lot of food going on. I'm sorry, guys, who don't live here in Calgary, you weren't able to partake in that, but I'm pretty sure you had some good food yourself, right? Yeah, man. So anyway, before we go on, I want to also make a big up to all our frontline workers. We've just been through some real tough times, and really, without the frontline workers, where would we be? Yes. Right now, we're close to recovering, and give thanks to all these great people.
Yes.
Now, first up on our stage, we'll have the Berean Youth Choir, who are here in Calgary, doing a piece, and following them will be Chosen Generation.
Yes, so enjoy.
So enjoy. We know we have to bless it up with some God first, right?
Man,
Amen.
Yes.
Amen. All right.
You've done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough. You've done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still would be enough. to Jehovah, for he has done so very much for me. What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me.
I've got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. I've got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. I've got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. I've got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. Goodbye, world, I stay no longer with you. Goodbye, pleasures of sin, I stay no longer with you. I made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. I made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. Goodbye, world, I stay no longer with you. Goodbye, pleasures of sin, I stay no longer with you. I made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. I made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. Born, born, born again, thank God I'm born again. Born, born, born again, thank God I'm born again. Born, born, born again, thank God I'm born again. Born, born, born again, thank God I'm born again. Born of the water, spirit and the blood, thank God I'm born again. Born of the water, spirit and the blood, thank God I'm born again. Born of the water, spirit and the blood, thank God I'm born again. Born of the water, spirit and the blood, thank God I'm born again. Got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. I've got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. I am under the rock, and the rock is higher than I. Jehovah, hide me, I am under the rock. Go tell my enemies, I am under the rock. Jehovah, hide me, I am under the rock. Jesus' name so sweet, Emmanuel name so sweet. 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 Oh, and every rock me rock upon Jesus, Jesus' name so sweet. And every rock me rock upon Jesus, Jesus' name so sweet. Every rock me rock upon Jesus, Jesus' name so sweet. Every rock me rock upon Jesus, Jesus' name so sweet. My mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. I've got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. Fire, 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 fire fall on me. Fire, 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 fire fall on me. On the day of Pentecost, fire fall on me. On the day of Pentecost, fire fall on me. Fire, fire, fire,
Pentecost, fire fall on me. I hope you all enjoyed that from Berean Youth Choir. You can find Berean at the Berean International Church right here in Calgary.
Right.
And Chosen Generation. If you need to contact them, you can just contact the Jamaican Canadian Association here in Calgary, and we'll help you to connect to them.
Okay, so that was a very, very good blessing up going on right there. I felt
was.
I really felt that spirit coming in. And we have some little advertisement. We want to take care of some business. Now, first up, we want to share about Sharma Accounting Services for corporate and personalized tax returns. Called Sharma Accounting Services. 403-703-0891.
Yes. And the next person we want to hear from is Susan's Freight. And Susan's Freight, for all your ocean freight consolidations, call Susan's Freight at 403-966-6871. And we want you, while you're listening, tuning into YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Okay, so we said YouTube and Facebook. You know, we wanted to light up the comments. Show us what you're thinking and tell us how we're doing.
Yeah, just so we know that there's actually someone out there listening to us.
Yes,
we're not
man.
making, just making noise here. So yeah, we would love to see these comments coming in. Please let us know if you like in the show or not. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And just to add a little thing in the comment section, what you can comment with. As Jamaican, always we spoil up everything. Because I was telling a friend of mine the other day that I never know that panganut was pomegranate until me a big great no man. So put some words that Jamaicans say it wrong, where and for instance it's panganut, but the correct word is pomegranate. So just drop some words in the comment where we, as always, where Jamaicans say wrong.
Yeah.
So to keep things going and to keep the show flowing, the next performance you will see is another gospel performance, and it will be coming from the Spanish Town Adventist chorister. And yeah, Mrs. Spanish Town, right out of yard. Yeah. So please stay tuned for the Spanish Town.
Sing praises to the King.
Welcome back. And that was the Spanish Town Adventist Choristers. And if you want to get in contact with them, just send an email to Vanclar, that's VANCLAR at gmail.com, and she can connect you with them. Okay, so as we pointed out earlier, that we could not have done this without our sponsors and our supporters.
Right.
So our next supporter that we have that is running this, that has contributed to this day, is MC Garage. So for all your repair needs, please call MC Garage at 403-452-9731. And that is only for the Calgary people. If you're in Jamaica, unfortunately, you can't call them. All right?
That's right. Next, we have General Automotives and Tire Services. We do repairs on all makes and models of vehicles. Contact us at 587-352-9090. So for all your automotive checks and everything, please contact these garages. They do wonderful jobs there. So yeah, don't miss out. Now, who do we have next? We have our very own Gene Chung coming up next to do some poetry. I do hope you like it. So check out Gene Chung.
My name is Gene Chung, and I'm going to do a poem entitled Miss Mary Dryfoot Boy. What wrong with Miss Mary Dryfoot Boy? The gal them got him for mock. And when me talk to him Tara night, the boy no give me a shock. Me tell him say, him auntie and him cousin, them send howdy for him and ask how he was doing. Hear the boy, oh jollopy. Me start to sorry for the bad lucky soul and thinking come a foreign can catch foreign bad coal. Me think him have a sore throat. But after chat and chatter go on, I realized that a twang the boy did a put on and all them something there. Me papa joke, the girl them laugh. Hear the boy, you must have got that bad dash right out of the cinema. Me say, boy, I beg you, move right in front of me. What happened to the sweet Jamaican joke them we used to pop? I really don't understand you, actually, oh dear. Me say you understand me well. No, you named Cousin Scoop used to run a nana kitchen agila fi gungo soup and all them something there. How silly, I really don't understand you. Me say you understand me well. He stormed through the door with his head up high. Hear the girl. Leaving already? Actually, oh dear. And from that night until today, Miss Mary Dryfoot boy no get over the shock. Ay. The next one I'm going to do is Jamaica. Jamaica, the great creator shaping sun and star, heard an archangel speaking thus. I dreamed I saw another paradise afar, and all about it sapphire waters gleam. The maker smile at his divine yes. The angels dream like sun blush rose on curl, to bloom forever on the warm sea's breast, the beautiful Jamaica of the world.
Up, we have Ms. Shernette Smith, who will also be doing some folk songs. All right, take it away.
Mr. Bill Van have one party. Him none want fi rule. Come we go buy pretty silver herring figures you neighbor I'm buried man. What she make it buy make it see ma. What she make it see ma make it buy ya. What she make it buy make it see ma Nancy girl lick on the rocks one penguin. 3 times 10 not 30. Y'all and boy them a flirty. Sing me the tune of Bessie Bansa make we dance Bessie Band and Kalani. What she make it buy make it see ma. What she make it see ma make it buy ya. What she make it buy make it see ma Nancy girl lick on the rocks one penguin. 4 times 10 not 40. Y'all and boy them a hearty. Come we go down Montego Bay, fi go juke foot juke and do the twist. What she make it buy make it see ma. What she make it see ma make it buy ya. What she make it buy make it see ma Nancy girl lick on the rocks one penguin. 5 times 10 not 50. Bill Band party so thrifty. Berry band super erin fry. If you know me, it crack your berry eye. What she make it buy make it see ma. What she make it see ma make it buy ya. What she make it buy make it see ma Nancy girl lick on the rocks one penguin. What she make it buy make it see ma Nancy girl lick on the rocks one penguin. What she make it buy make it see ma Nancy girl lick on the rocks one penguin. The buggy broke and the asphalt down. The buggy broke, the buggy broke, the buggy broke and the asphalt down. They ask it up, they ask it up, they ask it up and him gallop gone, him gallop gone, him gallop gone, him gallop gone pa Miss Maryland, Miss Maryland, Miss Maryland. The ass a char up Miss Maryland, Miss Mary Pan a jungle stick, Miss Mary Pan's up a jungle stick. She fling this stick, she fling this stick, she fling this stick and bush a get lick, bush a get lick, bush a get lick, bush a get text and him pan a brick. A fight wine broke, a fight wine broke, fight wine broke in a job class town. And all because the buggy broke and the asphalt down. The buggy broke, the buggy broke, the buggy broke and the asphalt down. The buggy broke, the buggy broke, the buggy broke and the asphalt down.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those lovely performances. Who was doing Brockins or do some scam movement when the Buggy Brook starts play? Find my girl Sharnette. She's out of Nova Scotia. Find her on YouTube at Besame. The girl know the culture, so run over to her page, like and subscribe, please.
Okay, so call O Solutions for premium website services. 403-630-4046.
And next up, we have Payless Online Services. We are premium travel experts and airfare wholesalers. Visit us at www.flightexpress.com. That's Payless Online Travel. And our next performance that we have up, we have 2 persons that will be coming. We have Gizbone from out of Toronto and Dallas Hayes Spark from right here in Calgary.
Right here at home.
Malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. I don't want to see this world blow, cause all nation will surely go slow. Oh, it's a blessing to see your people smile, smile all the time. We pray the discipline or guideline for all, to make reality look good for all. Some I use the dope and think I joke, but it's their choice. Perseverance and profound love, agility, flexibility. Modern world has taken its toll. Oh, what a life! The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. Time bomb. Whoa. Don't blow. Time bomb. Whoa. Don't show. Time bomb. Whoa. Don't blow. Time bomb. Whoa. Don't show. Now food now reach the mouth, we are dead. Recession in the world, everyone a rebel. Wars of the fight, but the crowds as well. And this is modern time. Hey, while there is life today, there's those who deal in land and live in strife. Ignorance springs from fear. We go down the time. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. Time bomb. Oh, don't blow. Time bomb. Oh, don't show. Time bomb. Oh, don't blow. Time bomb. Oh, don't show. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction. The world is ticking like a time bomb. I'm praying for it to malfunction.
Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. And everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old. It made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears, 'cause nobody told me that you'd be here. And I swear you moved overseas, 'cause that's what you said when you left me. You still look like a movie. It was just like a song when we were young.
What's up, y'all? This is your girl Pepper from Salt and Pepper. This is how I'm gonna do my Jamaican jerk chicken. And remember, just add some pepper, garlic cloves, about a tablespoon of brown sugar, the Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, a whole onion. You want to squeeze some lime, pimento seed, allspice, just a little bit of salt. Blend this all up. Marinate this chicken about 4 hours. And remember, just add some extra pepper and just chill like a Jamaican.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
Okay.
Come back.
So there we have it. That was Gisborne and the angelic voice of Dallas Hayes. Wow.
But how your voice pretty?
Oh my gosh.
It's like look like a coloring book. It's so
enchanted.
very pretty. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so of course you can reach Dallas Hayes on her Facebook contact, right? Find her on Facebook at Dallas Hayes Sparks.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so to continue mentioning our supporters, our next supporter is Challenge Office and School Supplies. So for all your school and office supplies and furniture, please contact Challenge Office and School Supplies at 403 517. Sorry about that. 403-937-5117. Sorry, just wrote down the wrong number on my thing.
Yeah, so I don't want them calling me yard, you know.
Exactly.
Okay,
I know,
so
right?
yeah, don't give them my number. And next we have Creative Minds Beauty Center, offering services in barbering, nails, salon, spa, and makeup. So for all your major needs when it comes to the beauty part, make sure check out Creative Minds Beauty Center.
Yes, that's where I get my do on.
Yes, thank you very much. And you know what? A long time we no have no nice time. Do you? Think about that.
Don't know.
No, it's really been a long time since we had a great time of music and all this. So I'm really hoping that you guys are enjoying the show right now. And really, we want to take it a little higher. So next up, we have Jabba Hill, and then we'll have Diversity Performing Arts Club of Calgary, right here in Calgary, doing a nice special dance for us. So
JCAA. My name is Jabba Hill. You come for me. Oh no. No. Jump. Say. Oh, not even heaven could find them an angel that compares to you. Not even the devil could persuade me or tell me to try to hurt you. You're my heaven, you're my hell, you're my freedom, you're my jail, but you ain't my feelings true. I'll forever rock with you. Am I locked in your heart? Am I stuck in your thoughts? I deny that that's true. You don't love me like I love you, but I'll still trip on you, baby. And you keep on driving me crazy, but in the end I know it's through. I know I must be done with you. Whoa. Something about time, oh you see. Oh no.
possibly rewind and come again?
This one I better do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did da. Dada cover my face, calling me like bada. Biggie man, we know they wear abada. Tell me, money, what's it gon' G-Wagon, all the bitches, ride the good.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it.
Yo, easy. Are you kidding me?
Toast, yeah. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we both then only said the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing, and you know it formed out to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic, say I sing, yeah, see me all diggy soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Me say I had to shot ya, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot, you can't ball in a life, man.
All right, we're back. Welcome back. Two good performances. And just want to let you know that if you're interested in Jabba Hill to perform at your event, you can find his team at Progressive Youths 147 on Instagram. So if you want him, just go on that page.
That's right. No, I know all of you were out there skanking and moving and everything, right? All them toasting and thing. The only song we could identify was the first one. The old scatting. Yeah, cause you know, a big man.
Yeah.
A young like you know.
Yeah.
You know about a toast and all them things. But I mean, to each his own.
Yeah, well true.
To each his own.
Well, true.
Let me take care of some more business now. First, I want to make mention of Daddy C's Jerk Sauce. Try Daddy C's Jerk Sauce, elevating your taste one meal at a time. Call them at 403-605-3775, or you can also order.
Yes. The next supporter is Crazy Jerk. And at Crazy Jerk, we bring the exotic flavor of Jamaican cuisine and culture and professional services. To get to Crazy Jerk, you can call them at 403-691-1040.
Why, as you mentioned, Crazy Jerk mouth around water.
Should I buy some of my food today, man? You waste the time, man.
Sure.
But up next, you wanted to tune into the musical stylings of DJ Tolo. And DJ Tolo is right here out of Calgary. So dance, and if you want us to the musical stylings of DJ Tolo, connect us and we can connect you right here, go dancing and having a good time. If you want us to the music, connect us and we can connect you right here, go dancing and having a good time. If you want us to the music, connect us and we can connect you right here, go dancing and having a good time. If you want us to the music, connect us and we can connect you right here, go dancing and having a good time. If you want
Right here. Right
This is my home. To rock you, I bring you love. This is hard to
Hi, I'm Shaggy. Lift your spirit. Sing, dance, chill like a Jamaican.
So now it's time for you to practice your dance moves.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
For you to practice your dance moves.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
think about that.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the
We
world.
have no nice time. Think about that. Think about that. This is my
What's up, y'all? This is your girl Pepper from Salt and Pepper. This is how I'm gonna do my Jamaican jerk chicken. And remember, just add some pepper, garlic cloves, about a tablespoon of brown sugar, the Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, a whole onion. You want to squeeze some lime, menthol seed, allspice, just a little bit of salt. Blend this all up. Marinate this chicken about 4 hours. And remember, just add some extra pepper and just chill like a Jamaican.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
Lord in me, just won't let me be. I'm just rocking now. Won't you rock with me? A long, 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 long time. We'll have a nice time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We'll have a nice time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Unfortunately, you know, with technology, we're just having a little technical difficulties. So we're
Yeah.
just jumping on back and we're just going to move on with the show. And if things are sorted out, then we'll keep going. So just as we start, we just want again to thank our sponsors without whom this day could not have happened. Again, we want to thank Grace. We want to thank Loblaws. We want to thank JTB, Wholesale Club, Kevin and Amanda's No Frills, and the Superstore.
Okay, so next on our program, we will have
No, you have to do that.
Wakefield Brewster.
No, so before we get to that, we still also want to thank our supporters.
Yes.
So first up is Saraya.
Saraya
So Saraya,
and Caribbean
for
Choice.
all
Okay.
your beauty needs,
Yes.
contact Saraya at 403-273-5684.
Okay, so I know this is a beauty needs. Okay, so please gentlemen, if you don't know us and they're not too
No,
pretty,
they do
don't
sell
show
stuff
up.
for men too. Don't listen to this one right
But
here.
it's
They
beautiful.
sell stuff for men.
Thank you
Men
very
want
much.
to be beautiful too.
And Caribbean Choice Limited. We can contact them at
Sorry again. So for Caribbean Choice, we let us take care of all your personal effect shipping needs. Contact Caribbean Choice at 403-402-6470.
Okay, so that's a lot of business taken care of there. We want to jump right back into the entertainment, people. So we're going to kick it off with Wakefield Brewster, straight from out of Edmonton. Wakefield Brewster.
Big shout out to the JCAA, especially to Bernadine for reaching out to me to contribute. A big shout out to the Jamaican community here and abroad, the Bajan community here and back home, the entire Caribbean community, and the entire African diaspora. The biggest shout outs go to each and every one of you attending this great gathering with us. I would like to share a poem with you, a poem of self-empowerment called I Can. Simply, the two messages are this. When you know who you want to be and what you want to do in this world and you come across that adversity and discouragement, especially when people say you can't, remember two things. You probably can, and you probably should. This is I Can. After a decade of delivery on the MIC, unbelievably, people still asking me, what can you do with poetry? That question used to make me angry. It used to get me hot. Now I tell them have a seat and ask them how much time they got. For you see, with poetry, I can. Duly dance down those same halls of learning where I once had the yearning to be a well-accomplished human with a 4.0. But my GPA was sadly way far below. I never got the knack of the educational flow. They made me sit still, so I stood still. I can confidently, comfortably cruise into classrooms where I was once coerced to create a captured, cornered mental state so I could clearly create a way to hate my own mind. By my educators, they were eduhators. They formed a form to form my formative years, tainted with intolerance and a tidal wave of tears that sailed all of my dreams away from me. For they likened my self-image with one of stupidity. It was all that I heard and all that I could see. I can now be free. Where I was once imprisoned by a mental prism, my errant splayed thoughts were like hot-colored rocks. Endless ammunition for the slings of possibility, but impossibly, all of my targets eluded me. For I was living in the kingdom of couldn't be me. I couldn't see the lock, so I didn't need the key. And when they finally let me go, they said, you don't know poetry. I can versify being victimized into a valiant victory. Verify that when you vilify, you eventually gotta deal with me. The transformation was tremendous. I took the word stupid and I made it stupendous. I began to manhandle the land of language that languished in apathetic and anonymous anguish. I did decide to dissect and divide indefinitely, indubitably, what diction was doing to me. Stab a psyche with a simile, sometimes slit left of center, see, so as to step off into a soliloquy. Ail the English alphabet with an oral atrocity. I can wear the face of mental agility, dispel the myth of dental fragility, and proudly embrace my so-called disability. ADD, ADHD, OCD, PTSD. Now I've made an acronymphomaniac out of me, and never once before have I so ever loved ME. I can turn my inventive imagination into a physical infatuation. Not like sugar, not the hard refined, not like sweetener, not the artificial kind. I don't need heroin because I'm a hero in my own mind. Spent some time with my mentality and what I did find is I can learn. And poetry taught me when the truth is unfurled, I'm the only one man who can change my world. So I can do anything. What can I do with poetry? I ask you. Why don't you tell me?
Greetings. I am reggae dancehall artist Basie. Let me show you how to build a vibe. Just chill like a Jamaican.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
Okay, so there we have it. Wakefield Brewster, and of course you can contact him at Insta Wakefield Brewster, and that's on Instagram, by the way.
So that's Wakefield_Brewster.
Exactly. So yeah, so that was that. Nikki, what happened to you? You look like you lose. Me hear of people losing weight, but we don't know if people that lose height.
Really?
You look shorter.
I'm a Jamaican, and with a Jamaican we can do anything.
Anything at any time.
Yeah.
So don't be surprised. Yeah?
Exactly.
All right. So next we want to big up another one of our supporters, Brothers Cuts. So it's for expert cutting, trimming, and styling called Brothers Cuts Barbershop at 403-273-8789.
Yes, and also if you want for all your corporate and professional tax returns, please contact Sharma Accounting Services at 403-703-0891. And as we continue on in the program,
yes, who we have next?
Yeah, man, we have next.
Wally,
so we're coming up again with the and some more music again. And next you'll hear from is Zahir Seeley right here in Calgary, and Selu also here in Calgary. So enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yeah. No need to stop and catch my breath, I promise I'm in shape. Outran the Reaper running straight through all that yellow tape. You wanna kill me for fighting the good fight of faith? Two hands together cause a callus cause we moving weight. I learned my lessons from red dresses on blind dates. You got a different book, I dealt we on the same page. Look right here, it's plain and simple, just receive his grace. Then check that chocolate line and see how it's all been erased. Told myself I gotta go and get it now. Stopping nothing just to make your daddy proud. Back when I would block her ears and smoke that loud. No one knew I'd be the boy to rock a crowd. But guess what happened the moment I started mapping exactly how I be rapping and done for good with the trapping. No rhyme or reason, my homies just started leaving. I'm back and forth with these demons until I called out to Jesus.
I will live my life and fear no more. I will live my life and fear no more. No, I won't.
No, I won't. No, I won't. No, I won't.
No, I won't.
No, I won't. No, I won't. No, I won't.
I cast it on you.
Yeah.
I cast it on you.
It's what I gotta do.
You do what you do.
I made my decision.
You do what you do.
Go ahead.
I cast it on you, Lord.
My God.
I cast it on you, Lord.
I give it all to you.
You do what you do. You do what you do.
Yeah. I tip my hat and on top of that I stay talking till nothing to me is stopping these legs that I got from walking. Look, don't you step on top of me. I stand on the rock I mean. Jesus was a Jew, my G. Took me out of Jumanji. Death itself, it was a fee. Just so I could be so free. Paying back with these two knees. Faith my only currency. Well, I'm just an oddity. Well, I'm on this odyssey. If I go from A to B, first I gotta be to B. See, I was using my heart as a punching bag. No point to life, let me wave a white flag. Forget the small talk, don't care to humble brag. Look, you still worth it if you can't secure the bag, yeah. I may not understand exactly what you going through, but keep in mind the fact this one thing is forever true. Someone up there long ago was thinking just of you. And so I make this promise, one day you gon' be brand new.
I will live my life and fear no more. I will live my life and fear no more. No, I won't.
No, I won't. No, I won't. No, I won't.
No, I won't.
No, I won't. No, I won't. No, I won't.
I cast it on you.
Woo!
I cast it on you.
Every season.
You do what you do.
Every circumstance.
You do what you do.
Oh, I know it's been hard.
I cast it on you.
But I give it to him.
I cast it on you.
Fearfully and wonderfully made.
You do what you do.
That's who I am.
You do what you
That's
do.
who you are. There's a calling on your life. And so I want to thank you that tonight as you attend the JCAA culture event, purpose and destiny can be realized. Purpose and destiny can be realized in you. There's power in our words, power in our actions. So every day we got to make a decision to do the best that we can do. Yeah. Don't stop the music, we need it now, if not more than ever. This type of love, no human hands could ever sever. I've seen the pictures of people that thought they'd last forever. My palms are open in praise, and that's my only endeavor. Steady pursuit of these feats, I insulate my soul. Cultivate this paradise, that's a royal role. The winning side will decide how the story told. Despite the color, I'm a diamond dog, I ain't cold. Just speak the truth on every track, I'm trying to train my tongue. What's left of us except a child that's no longer young. Kicked out of Eden, now we eating strange fruit, huh? I use the breath of life to sing what the caged birds sung. Today I truly opted to be a king's kid, officially adopted. Yeah. I decide it's up to me, I'ma be all I can be. Now I know I'm truly free, part of my French I really mean we. I've been taking time to check in with my people though. They be telling me the differences in what you saw. The fine fabric of tomorrow can become your clothes. Just take a ceiling that was really meant to be a flow, then start to build up from the bottom what was once below. Then take the top out cause you really need more space to grow. Now dim the lights to last the life you lived is being streamed for people that you never knew, despite the fact it seemed as if nothing to note that you would always dream would ever be more than lightly esteemed. That's not the case. The credits roll and everyone is standing to applaud. Hindsight 2020, so they know now it was no facade. Every man and woman can't help it, see we are deeply flawed. Even so you kept the faith and found a way to trust in God. Once again, I go by the name of Zaire Inc. Thank you for coming to the JCAA cultural event.
We link up on the beach, we link up. She in love with the thing, yeah, the thing up. Chandelier, thing fling up. To warrior cheat, to cheater. We ain't coming for the cheat, man, a teacher. Can't reach her. Yeah, whisper on me ears, can't please her. They ain't gotta know about me and you. They ain't gotta know about me and you. They ain't gotta know about me and you. We know say you watch it on him. And me a cheat pan her. Me know say you want cheat on him. And me a cheat pan her. They ain't gotta know about me.
Thought you were my love.
Yeah, baby. Thought you were my lover. Thought you were my love. Oh, oh. Thought you were my lover. But I'm not for you. And you're not for me. Not for you, no. Not for me. The money controller. She want a man with a rover. Can't control, can't control her. Everything unfold. Me get laughing at the cold. Feel like I lost my soul, lost my soul. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Thought you were my love. Thought you were my lover. Thought you were my love. Thought you were my lover. But I'm not for you. And you're not for me.
Not for you, no, not for me.
Hi, I'm Joy Spence, Master Blender for Appleton Estate Jamaica Rum. The Jamaican Mule is the quintessential Jamaican cocktail. We add a twist to make our welcome drink the Stormy Valley. Pour 1.5 ounces into a glass, a teaspoon of lime juice, a few splashes of Angostura bitters, cubes of ice, good old Jamaican ginger beer. Then stir, have a sip, and just chill like a Jamaican.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those performances.
Yes, indeed.
And yes, I mean, you like me at? No?
Can I be? Do I have to be honest? Or?
Yes,
Yeah,
you have to be honest. All
I
right,
love
good.
it. But
all right, to find Zahir, you can link him on Instagram at Zahir Inc. And to find Selu is also a part of the Progressive Youths 147 team. So just go on Instagram, look them up, and just show them some love.
Okay, so we are going to backtrack a bit, and we're going back to DJ Tolo.
Instagram,
We had a little
look them
glitch.
up and just show them some love.
Okay, so we are going to backtrack a bit, and we're going back to DJ Tolo.
Instagram,
We had a little
look them
glitch.
up and just show them some love.
Okay, so we are going to backtrack a bit, and we're going back to DJ Tolo.
Instagram,
We had a little
look them
glitch.
up and just show them some love.
Okay, so we are going to backtrack a bit, and we're going back to DJ Tolo.
Instagram,
We had a little
look them
glitch.
up and just show them some love.
Okay, so we are going to backtrack a bit, and we're going back to DJ Tolo.
Instagram, look them up and just show them some love.
Okay, so we are going to backtrack a bit, and we're going.
Hi, I'm Shaggy. Lift your spirit. Sing, dance, chill.
In
Hi,
the
I'm
rain
Shaggy.
is a place.
Lift your
So now it's time for you to practice your dance moves.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
All right. Again, we have to apologize for that. You know, the thing
Yes.
set it. You know, technology sometimes they work with it like how we want to work with them.
All right, the church people, them would have said, "Look a demon."
A little-
I look at demons.
Yeah,
I play with
yeah,
it. I
look at
play with the
demons.
thing,
So
right?
who
So
wants spin
yeah,
roll?
you know, if
Somebody
you want
spin
spin
a
a
roll
roll,
out there. Yeah, man.
and you know,
I'll
stamp
make it
them
get
out,
started.
stamp them out.
Yeah, man. So, all right. Again, you know, Jamaican, we're the most colorful people in the world. And I'm not just saying that because I'm Jamaican.
Are you
but
colorful?
Or that too. But here what? I just want to just do something that in the comments, tell me which insect in Jamaica can tell you direction. And another one is when somebody say, here you go, what that mean?
Okay.
Tell me that. So tell me which insect can tell a direction, and when you have ego, what that mean? Or another one is when somebody say your body come down. Tell me what that mean. All right. So just drop it in the comments and make us know what you're thinking.
In other words, give us your scientific answer or your dictionary meaning.
Yes, man. So moving right along.
Yes.
Moving right along, yeah.
We're gonna take care of.
Yeah, so we just want to big up some more of our supporters.
Yes.
So our next supporter we're going to be talking about is Caribbean Choice Limited. So let us take care of all your personal effect shipping needs. To get to Caribbean Choice Limited, contact 403-402-6470.
Okay, and next we have MC Garage. For all your repairs needs, call MC Garage at 403-452-9731.
Yeah.
So, yeah, there you have it. We're going we need to touch another artist until Tolo can get himself sorted out there. We're going to touch.
Okay, so we're just going to spin again. I was still going to give you some DJ because you know Jamaicans and our music. So we just wanted to jump on and listen to the musical stylings of Mali Bless from out of Toronto.
Aye, Dada people. Greetings. In the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I Joe. Rastafari. Aye. Yeah, man. Greetings, Dada people. Greetings. This is I, Molly Bless, from straight out of Toronto, Canada. Watch how we ever deal with that one, you know, man. Yeah, man. I go by the name Molly Bless, you know. Yeah, man. Reggae artist, also DJ, you know. Yeah, man. Watch how we deal with the Canadian vibration. Listen. I don't know now we have to big up JCAA benefit event. Oh, you mean? Jamaican Canadian Association, Alberta, big O. Hey, my General Dan Simon, big up yourself and always a show love to a community. Big up, big up, big up. Everybody out in a Calgary, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean?
I know a change will come. This is Empress Minor representing the artist and the DJ. DJ Molly Bless along with the First Lady Tanya P. Keep the Starliners alive. Yes, music to the world. Empress.
Hey, Dan Simon, big up, big up, big up! Hey, that are people, we are got fun tonight, you know, we are full jar ourselves in the day, yo, you mean? Alright, watch how we gonna deal with it, watch how we gonna deal with it, no!
Standing tall for our rights. Raise your hands if you feel this movement of truth, not lies. Fighting for all injustice, standing firm for our lives. One and all here in protest.
Alright, listen, no Chester Miller, deal with it. Okay, okay, okay.
No matter how hard they try, what they do can't keep us silent. No, no. And now we know what is true, what is real, you cannot hide.
You can't hide, you can't hide it.
We know the games you always play, and we know you'll never get away.
You'll never.
Closely to what we gotta say. Yes, you know that it's a touchdown. Fight against all injustice, standing tall for our rights. Raise your hands if you feel this movement of truth that lies. Whoa, na 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 na. Yes, whoa, na 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 na.
When me was a youth, I used to go to school because me want to know the golden rule. Now that I'm a man, I'm no fool. Everywhere me go, people say me well cool.
I mean, rude.
Don't treat me like a fool.
Oh, you're smart and watch how we deal with it.
Jaja know me no fool.
I and I man and a fool, Dan Simon and a fool. Listen, man.
Me is a youth with no courtesy. Everywhere me go, people them love me.
army rule.
Jaja know me no fool.
Yeah, man, Canadian, we're not fool. I want today.
Jaja know me no fool. Back steady. Hot up the runnings of a cool runnings. Square up the level of a level vibes. Mix up the settle of a settle steady.
Feeling in the one drug, yeah. But we still find time to rock. We're making a one stop. The generation gap. Won't you feel this your drum beat? Yeah, as it beat. Within, we're playing a rhythm. Yeah, we're fighting against the system.
Pull up the Jackie James, the other that fillet with those.
Ooh, yeah. Feeling the one drug, yeah. But we still find time to rock. We're making a one stop. The generation gap. Won't you feel this your drum beat? Yeah, as it beat. Within, we're playing a rhythm. Yeah, we're fighting against the system. I know that never let us down. Well, you're right and wrong. I know that never let us down. No, they make the world so hard that every day we have to keep on fighting. They make the world so hard that every day people are dying from hunger and starvation, lamentation. But read it in Revelation, and you'll find your redemption. Give us the teaching of His Majesty, 'cause we're no one, no devil's philosophy. No, give us the teaching of His Majesty, 'cause we're no one, no devil's philosophy. We feel it in the one drug, but we still find time to rock. Yeah, we're making a one step. Yeah, we come to fill up that gap. Oh, but I feel this your drum beat. Yeah, yeah. We're there, playing a rhythm.
Okay, watch it vibe, watch it vibe. Cardinal. Cardinal. Okay. Official. I saw the Canadian vibration set. Yeah, man, listen to the Canadian vibration, no.
People that tell me, yeah, say the fire now blaze no more, fire now burn no more everywhere I go. People that let me know, say the fire now blaze no more, fire now burn. Alright, government no want pay the people, so we burn them down. While them got the best people, we burn them down.
Jamaica.
Best decision ever.
Feel the sand between your toes and the gentle waves of the sea on your skin. Feel the warm Jamaican breeze lift your spirits and nourish your soul. Escape to exactly what makes your heart beat. You will love every moment. Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
Like milk, but my sweet like condensed. Tell us swam like the bees and the ants them. They tell us that my stay straight like my pants them. Real gold this and no bronze them. Priceless, now we no itch. Olé! We talking the drip, drip, drip. Start the Lamborghini, we are drip, drip, drip. Fresh in on the party, we are drip, drip, drip. Light up a fire, we are drip, drip, drip. Me don't know, my riches, me not get it back yet. My lifestyle rich and my dreams, them rich. Watch all the girls, them a drip, drip, drip.
Ole!
Me don't know, my riches, me not get it back yet. My lifestyle rich, my dreams, them rich. Watch all the girls, them a
drip, drip, drip.
Sip, sip, sip.
Them a sip, sip, sip.
Tree back up on my table and a hype thing. The chain when me wearing, that a my bling. Me let out a change and me warm up me thing. It's a girl in on my front seat when me driving. Me a burn up no show and that no hiding. Out a make move and a idling. Link up street rich, cause you know it trending. We career don't start, we no see the ending. Me don't know, my riches, me not get it back yet. My lifestyle rich and my dreams, them rich. Watch all the girls, them a drip, drip, drip. Drip, 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 them a drip, drip, yeah. Me don't know, my riches, me not get it back yet. My lifestyle rich, my dreams, them rich. Watch all the girls, them a sip, sip, sip. Sip, 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 them a sip, sip, yeah.
Tonight, I'm gonna be whatever you like. Tonight, your girl gon' have to play the side. Right now, me know that she vex, me know she a wonder which fire that.
I went there.
My mind for the night, and me know that not right, but me now make them.
Okay, watch your vibe now. A J C A A benefit event. Listen. Yeah, man, this is Starliners Entertainment. Just listen now.
Every girl in the place see a wind up. Wind up, wind up, wind up. If you can't do the dancing, time up. Time up, time up, time up. Who the on the sun, what's a climb up? Climb up, climb up, climb up. If it dance for a full, just line up. Line up, line up.
Hey! Hey, you feel? You feel? You think of that? Hey, me tell her just like this. What you say, Razor B?
Don't stop it, don't stop it. Christian, this exclusive.
Don't stop it, don't stop it. Don't stop it, don't stop it. Girl, come wind up your body for me. Come dash it out, fling it all on me. Girl, me know why you feel hold back. You feel broke back, girl, me say don't stop.
Don't stop it, my girl. Just
wind up your body for me. Come dash it out, fling it all on me. Girl, me know why you feel hold back. You feel broke back.
Hey, Dan Simon, what we tell her?
Back up, back up, back up now. Every girl for your wine and cock up now. Nobody stay in your house and lock up now. Come wine and broke out and woke up.
Are everybody?
Welcome the girl, lock them out, let them in. Me make you happy, girl, you know what I mean.
What you tell them, Razor B? What you tell them?
Girl, come wine up your body for me. Come dash it out, fling it all on me. Girl, me know why you feel hold back. You feel broke back, girl, me say don't stop. Girl, come wine up your body for me. Come dash it out, fling it all on me. Girl, me know why you feel hold back. You feel broke back, girl, me say don't stop. Pretty
pretty and sexy, I hear thing that some girl a hype up, but them a idiot. Skin well smooth, every man a pre that. Any man where you sleep with, get up and clap. Girl, you independent, you have your own things. No guy can treat you like no clothespin. Living the best life, that's the best thing. Girl, you're a queen, so find one king. This is for the girls that can hold them, man.
This is for the tight girls only.
Late at night when me drunk and lonely, I want me want to come hold me. This is for the girls that can hold them, man. This is for the tight girls only. Late at night when me drunk and lonely, I want me want to come hold me.
Girl, I buy me roots wine. I call me the damn swine. Them say me smart like Einstein and me sweet like pine. So she want a strong back. Let her you, me not jump me standard. Under me dinner me a slam that. Every girl I give me congrats. She say me have a strong back, yes.
Strong back.
So she request that.
Every Canadian man have strong back.
Love it when you turn back where you under me roots wine.
Hey Yardy, you don't know what the thing said, no?
She said me have a strong back, yeah. So she request a strong back there. Girl, me love it when you turn back way. Under me roots one.
Me a slam that. Yeah. Hey, Jamaican Canadian Center, big up on yourself, you know. They don't know the things that in a dance time, man. Hey, Calgary, the whole I want to big up on yourself, you know. Canada will say to the world, 100% Canadian vibration. Molly bless us, so.
Clean and fresh. Girl, them a scream, say them love Rasta flex. White teeth, straight jeans, well up in no crap. Stay focused, me no have time for stress. Oh my gosh, clean and fresh. Girl, them a scream, say them love Rasta flex. White teeth, straight jeans, well up in no crap.
Alright, listen what we tell them now. I know what you tell them, what you tell them.
Call the shots, me no care what.
Pray.
Them know we are straight
VIP.
Me out and bad, not take we lightly. Club jam up on it.
Hey, Dan Simon, what we tell them?
Them alone can me spend me money.
Can?
Rock it up, girl, wind up on me.
Okay.
Take your time and climb up on me. You want like a...
Alright, here we tell them. Break it down for them now.
Up in the club, intoxicated. Up in the club, ladies get excited. Up in the club, intoxicated.
Okay.
Up in the club.
What the ladies them do now?
Oh my gosh.
Clean and fresh.
Tell them a scream, say them love
Rasta flex.
Straight jeans, well up in no crap.
Hey, me not lying on the party. I could have gone all night, you know.
Clean and fresh.
But you know, so we have to cut it though, cause we can't go on like we want to cut the whole show, you know.
Well up in no crap.
Alright, we're gonna leave on just like this. We don't want that. Listen, Tanya Pino.
This has got to be the most incredible feeling in the world. I'm loving my man, he's loving me back, so proud to be.
This is the first lady.
Cause he love me like that, I love him right back, yeah, we got it like that.
Oh, oh.
He love me like that, I love him right back. Ooh, ooh.
Listen, oh.
From day one, we've always been in.
Yeah, man, we've always been inseparable, you know.
Just having fun, he's always made me comfortable. I can't even begin to tell you what I feel for.
You know why?
I just don't want it to end.
Listen, why no, no, man?
And the love that I want, he gives it to me.
Hey, we got that love, we got that love, we got that love.
Anytime I need him, he's there for me.
We got that love. Yes, we got that love.
No reason to complain.
I'm glad.
That he's my man.
My girl.
The love that I want, he gives it.
Hey, Dan Simon, Canadian, Alberta, Jamaica Center, listen. We got that love that there's no wahala.
That precious love, and it's nothing sweeter. We've got that love, it's only you, baby, there's no other. That sweet, sweet love, baby, come and we'll be together.
Yes, I Fred Minutes from the Human Rights, and right now you're listening to Molly Bless and the Starliners crew, bigging up all Canadian reggae artists. Yeah, blessed love, eternally, I.
Yeah, man, big up on yourself when I don't know the things said, saying respect for the love, you know. Yeah, man, and it's I, Molly Bless, you know what I mean? We represent for all of the Canadian artists, them, you know what I mean? 100% Canadian vibration. And this is Molly Bless, so you don't know, you know, JCA. Benefit event, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself, respect for the love, respect for having we. Big up on the love, saying more love, more life, and more blessings to each and every one. Molly Bless us, so we're out.
Jamaica.
Best decision ever.
Feel the sand between your toes and the gentle waves of the sea on your skin. Feel the warm Jamaican breeze lift your spirits and nourish your soul. Escape to exactly what makes your heart beat. You will love every moment. Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
Okay, so there you have it. Sweet, sweet Jamaica.
Nah, lift ya.
Me yak and me saltfish.
Nah, lift ya.
Sweet yaman banana.
Nah, lift ya.
All right, yeah, I enjoyed it too much now.
German, yeah,
All right, so that was
United.
Molly Bless. I hope you guys enjoyed the music sensation of Molly Bless there. Now we're going to touch some more of our sponsors, or should I say supporters.
Yes.
General Automotive Services.
So
It says,
for General Automotive Services, we do repairs on all make and model of vehicles. Contact us at 587-352-9090.
and call Triple O Solutions for premium website services. Contact them at 403-630-4046. And of course, time offer. So that was again Molly Bless, and thanks again, guys, for viewing, for your viewership. We thank you for all just logging in here through Facebook and YouTube. Now we're going to continue, with the entertainment. Don't think it's done yet, but
yes, before
also
you jump to that.
yes,
Yeah, man.
also I make mention that don't leave, because we have some big artists that come up now.
Yeah, man.
People like Nana McLean, Gal Idiot, right? And who else?
And Champagne, the top banger. Top banger. So stay tuned. Don't leave. Stick with us. The show almost over. So just hold a little vibes and chill now.
You
Chill
know
with
what I
it.
mean? You
Yeah,
know what I
man.
mean? Anyway, but next up we have the great Anthony Seeker, and following him will be Yolanda Sargent, our own Yolanda Sargent here from Calgary. And of course, Yolanda has a new album out called Magic Radio, and she's also a 2021 Polaris Music Prize nominee. So you want to hear this one, people. Do not leave.
Definitely.
Stay
Definitely.
tuned.
Yeah,
All right, so we're going to kick it off with Anthony Seeker.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. You don't know a thing set. JCAA. Yeah, man. I don't wanna wait no more. Just give me all your love. For sure. Baby girl, you're not alone. No, hey, you're not alone. No, so give me all your love. Yeah. Whenever I see you again, non-stop party tonight. If my love is an apple, girl, take the first bite. I'll give you my heart like it's the last slice. Don't worry about your money, coulda name not nice. Me love when you drop it like you're riding a bike. 9-inch pole make you feel alright. So put up your hand, my girl, if I know say you're right. And you not be fine, no, you not be fine, you not be. Cause I don't wanna wait no more. Just give me all your love. For sure, baby girl, you're not alone. No, hey, you're not alone. No, so give me all your love. Yeah, hey. Every other day, me will make you go to Western Union, make you feel new brand. Give you money, no 1 or 2 grand, cause your bank card off, you swipe pound, can't fit in your 2 hands, stick in your glue like me want your glue done. Give you a couple daughters and a few sons, get 10 years, clip on your ear, shampoo down. Every other day, every other day. Every other day, every other day. Cause I don't wanna wait no more. Just give me all your love. For sure, baby girl, you're not alone. No, hey, you're not alone. No, so give me all your love. love. Yeah, hey. I don't wanna wait no more. Just give me all your love, for sure. Baby girl, you're not alone. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. JCAA, Progressive Youth Entertainment. Anthony Seeker. You don't know this thing said. One life. Yeah, man. Next track. So me say, big up on yourself and you don't know. JCAA, go on do your thing. That's what me say. Yeah, man. Progressive Youth Entertainment and Seeker. Yeah. Vex Cowboy, anywhere they big up your damn hey. So me say, please protect me from my enemies. Cause life ain't know what the same. Your best friend, them will cut the spade. Cause them now want to see you rich. Hey, please protect me from my enemies. Cause life ain't know what the same. Your best friend, them will cut the spade. Cause them now want to see you rich. Hey, enough of them friend, you a big old liar. Them now want to see you climb up the ladder. When you make it, them a talk about prata. Me no know you, and me no know your mother. Come all with weed with them man full of grabber. No, me no smoke, not even wood fire. Take 2 steps, my youth, grab a ladder. Take a nose dive, choke back in your shoulder. Me say, please protect me from my enemies. Life ain't know what it seems. Your best friend, them will cut the spade. Cause them now want to see you rich. Hey, please protect me from my enemies. Cause life ain't know what it seems. Your best friend, them will cut the spade. Cause them, hey, even your family, you have to pray. Cause you don't know when them are gonna need. Hey, your own things, cause them have to eat. And them not give a damn if your family. Hey, life is a struggle after mystery. So me go on me knee, cause me have to pray. Hey, protect my friends and family. So we able to live for another day. Hey, please protect me from my enemies. Life ain't know what it seems. Your best friend, them will cut a spade. Cause them now want to see you rich. Hey, please protect me from my enemies. Life ain't know what it seems. Your best friend, them will cut a spade. Cause them, since as you no know, make me show you the real me. Me no depend on nobody, you want me this. Them call me Seeker cause I'm the realest. Hey, don't talk up cause I'm fearless. Me used to lot from me heart cause me need this. And I will never ever stop till I'm the greatest. So, voice note or video tape this. Them and I cop me put them on a fake list. Cause life ain't know what it seems. Your best friend, them will cut a spade. Cause them now want to see you rich. Hey, please protect me from my enemies. Cause life ain't know what it seems. Your best friend, them will cut a spade. Cause them now want to see you rich. Hey, yeah man, you don't know the thing set. Loud, JCAA, big up yourself. That's what me I say. Vex Cowboy.
the stars. And I'm not scared cause I've got you. Well, you used to be so large, but now I see that it's not true. Spaceman, take me away. Spaceman, take me away. Spaceman, take me away. Take me away. Take me away. Spaceman, take me away. Spaceman, take me away. Spaceman, take me away. Take me away. Take me away.
Welcome to the also known as Morning Star. The time is now. Local weather, sunny. Please keep your seatbelts fastened until we come to a full stop. Thank you for choosing Sergeant and Comrade Space Transportation System.
Thank you. We have Marvin Key on bass, Colin on drums, Jamil on guitar, and Conrad on the MPC.
Copy her style. She got the radio on. When I think of dreams, I think of Nikita Simone, Billie Holiday, Lauryn Hill, Erica Matthews, Dan Ross, Gladys Knight, Etta James, Van Warwick, and Billie Holiday, and the supreme queen of soul, Aretha Franklin. Look at the style, look at the smile. If you ain't in love, why you in it now? Look at the glow. Look at the flow, and you can't move like this at the snow. She's a snow queen, she's a rock star, and she always gets away. She's a diva, soul sister, looks like Billie Holiday. So queen, you rock star, you diva, Billie, Nina, and Tina. I'm somewhere between them. Y'all know what I mean, yeah. I mean, so queen, you rock star, you diva, Billie, Nina, and Tina. I'm somewhere between them. Y'all know what I mean, yeah. She be doing her thing, yeah. People copy her style, yeah. She got the radio on. Thank you.
All right, welcome back. So we're not gonna lay because on a chicken we are jerk today, a show we are on. So we're just going to jump into bigging up some of our supporters.
Okay, so first up we have Payless Online Travel. We are premium travel experts and airfare wholesalers. Visit us at www.flightexpress.com.
And our next supporter is Susan's Freight. We are Ocean Freight Consolidators. Contact us at 403-966-6871. The next performance is coming from Waza Africa and Dance Theater.
All
So
right.
enjoy.
Africa.
Go tell your mother. Go and tell your father. Go tell your mother. Go and tell your father. Go tell your mother. Go and tell your father.
La Paz Toyota. La Paz Toyota.
You don't want hear me, baby. You don't want see me. I take cars by the one by child. Even that, wow. In case anything you go fit, you I won't pay. Freeway, can you do your BTS? If I make your mount, come out to one day. Me a big boy, be a my bitch in a crown. Me penny in Quadano. Me a me person in TikTok, go to win our proof.
La Paz Toyota.
Hey, my, hey.
La Paz Toyota.
Jamaica.
Best decision ever.
Feel the sand between your toes and the gentle waves of the sea on your skin. Feel the warm Jamaican breeze lift your spirits and nourish your soul. Escape to exactly what makes your heart beat. You will love every moment. Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
Okay, welcome back. That was Weza Africa Music and Dance Theatre. And just to let you know that the Weza Africa cultural show is coming up in August 20 to 21. So please look out for that and ensure you attend and enjoy some beautiful dancing from the motherland. So Conrad, you can dance?
Yes.
So Bossa moved in, Bossa no they moved there then just a while ago.
I can't bust the move up, I can't bust a balloon.
You
Right?
can-
But not tonight. Yeah, we can do all of that. We can do all of that.
All right.
Yeah.
Next time, people. Next time.
Next time.
Yeah, man.
So you guys have to just keep up, you know. Just
Yeah.
make sure it's another round when we start broke out, because then I go able to control me.
Oi.
All right, so we could deal with some business on Nikki.
Yes, man. All right. So our next supporter is Challenge Office and School Supplies. For all your school and office supplies and furniture, contact Challenge Office and School Supplies at 403-735-5177.
And try Daddy C's jerk sauce, elevating your taste one meal at a time. You can contact them at 403-605-3775, or you can order.
So make your voice sound so.
Well, I'm a commercial voice.
So can you tell me so we have commercial
You know, there are
voice?
times when you have to be professional, people. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. All right. Money United, you know. Money
All right.
United.
All right. Next act then, no?
All right. So coming up next, who we have? We have the great Nastasia Aikman from right here in Calgary. So people, let's hear it for Nastasia.
Rooted in the cause, rooted in the divine, called to the kingdom for such a time as this. This time is mine, my legacy, my inheritance. I will arise and take my place. I will run until I have completed my leg of the race. Freedom, free we are from the powers that be. No weapon shall prosper that is formed against me. In a world that seeks to strip me of my identity, but victoriously he rose on the third day and gave us liberty. Liberty. We are no longer slaves. We have our own identity. My identity in Christ is my reality, a work of art, a masterpiece by his creative authority, standing on the shoulders of those gone before me. Arise, young kings, arise, young queens, and tell your story. You are Black history. I am Black history. This history that clings to me, the present, walks forward into my destiny by living with intention, walking purposefully. Your purpose is yours. My purpose is mine, but together our purposes align. Our ancestors endured with intention. They drew attention to the injustices perpetuated by colonization, drew us together in the fight against division. They marched, we march, and we mark a time in history. They fought, we fight for justice, for peace. The battle, though not yet won, but scripture tells us that we are more than conquerors. Through Christ, we have the victory. The changing of the guards, we bridged the divide. Where they left off, we picked up the baton, the handoff, purposes collide. A not so seamless transition, but still we rise to the occasion. Black lives matter, I can't breathe, echoed across the nation. The signs and sounds of hope from an unyielding generation. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. Bellowed from the mouths of babes. No to police brutality. No to injustice. United we stand day and night. A resounding no. The record on repeat. No surrender, no retreat. Kissed by the sun, this skin, our redemption, this skin that bears our story of a long, battered, and bruised, but worthwhile journey. Melanin, embrace its beauty. The sun's effects does not affect, but its benefits are many. Now we seek to right the wrongs in history. Rooted in the fight, light we are so brightly shining. We drive out the darkness, no shade, by walking in purpose, being intentional. The onus is on us. Change is directional. The future, though bright, requires work. For the next generation, we prepare it. Rooted in the cause, we are here for it. The future, though bright, requires work. For the next generation, we prepare it. Rooted by Nastasia Aikman. This next piece is titled Jamaica, Land We Love. A little island in the Caribbean with a population of 2.9 million, gold, green, and black. Come let me introduce you to Jamaica, Jamdong, or as Juna Gang say, welcome to Jamrock. Excitement turn up when the plane land. Everybody start to clap. Me ready for drive home, cause round a island grill, me have to make a stop. One stop the driver, do no pass the coconut man. Me need something cool for drink, cause no AC no in the van. Reach up a yard and mama a roast a breadfruit with ackee and saltfish. Make me tell you something, that a few national dish. East Indian and Julie mango plus a bag of sugar cane. Auntie collect them yesterday from Miss Mary down the lane. Saturday morning, porridge a boil plus some green banana and run down in a coconut aisle. Lord, mama food sweet, you see. If you get a little food poisoning, no worry, we got the busy. West Indies a play cricket, no six a lick. Cool people are off down the Rio Grande, pan bamboo stick. When you talk about track, we have the fastest man in the world, and Pocket Rocket are still we #1 girl. The beach them pretty and the sand them white. Enough time you a study and JPS just cut off the light. But you just grab the kerosene oil lamp and go and study same way, cause you a get ready for write your CXC them the very next day. Me say Jamaicans make song about anything and nobody think you can beat them when it come to dancing. Jamaicans can outsmart you. Some of them very tricky-fy. It hard to get a US visa now. Them tell we no qualify. We salute the heroes them. We fight for we, the one and only heroine from the Maroons, as she named Nanny. The first female prime minister was indeed Sister P. We salute the females them where make waves. We still a work towards gender equality. A 14 parish in a few country. Me say Jamaicans can laugh after anybody. We love play domino and quarrel when we lose. Me say Jamaica nice bad. We no have nothing named winter blues. Jamaica, land we love. And my favorite spot, the heart of the Caribbean, one little dot. Jamaicans abroad or Jamaicans a yard. Jamaicans near or Jamaicans far. Once a Jamaican debout, and with them you want to par. We love we country, and we want the world to know. Any and every occasion, we wear we colors. People think we are Papi show. I true them no know how Jamaica sweet, but left them to time. One day, them and Jamaica are go meet. Black, green, and gold. In a every Jamaican heart and soul. This is Jamaica, filled with little island, the heart and soul of the Caribbean. This is Jamaica, filled with little island, the heart and soul of the Caribbean. Jamaica Land We Love by Nastasia Aikman.
Greetings, I am reggae dancehall artist Basie. Let me show you how to build a vibe. Just chill like a Jamaican.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
Man, we truly are the heartbeat of the world. Nastasia should have ended the poem with ay, ay, ay. Only when festival time, every poem done, ay, ay, ay. I guess that is the finishing line.
But I really enjoyed those poetries because, you know, she took us home.
Yes, she did. She
From
truly
the
did.
airport all the way to my yard. So
Yes.
that was really awesome. Thank you very much, my girl.
Yeah, man.
Yes, so now we are going to plug another business, Crazy Jerk. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring the exotic flavor of Jamaica cuisine, culture, and professional services. Contact us at 403-691. Some of them are missing. But anyway, you all know where Crazy Jerk is here in Calgary. So please make sure you guys stop in and get your good jerk chicken and jerk whatever else. Yeah?
Okay, in true Jamaican style.
Yes.
The next one is Brothers Cut Barbers. For your expert cutting and trimming and styling, contact Brothers Cuts Barbers at 403-273-8789. And the next performance you're going to be seeing is coming from Mr. Progress from right here in Calgary
Progress.
and Rational. So
All
enjoy.
Yeah, man, you know the thing, you understand? Yes, I say more love, more life, more energy, you understand? More progress. You know it's I, Mr. Progress. Team Progress. JCA, you know the thing, and big up yourself. And we say unity in the community. Now, Anthony Seeker, you know the thing, drop it, you know.
Jump Shot Records.
Lot of things they say about me, yet my mind is free. And the things they say on me, yet my heart is clean. My lifestyle, alright. Right now, you know. Up on me ends and up. Want to smoke so me jar for a 50 baht. This girl a call up my phone real bad. Say she wants it down on the chiller. Me no frightened for look. Cause none of them a gather man can't even trust. Can't know the feet them different from the. Some of them a dog ya win and me like. So me a go and live my life. To me own a thing them where I like. Living the I life. Me no trust no one with my life. I like my life. I feel live the best life. Me no show new ear for your next life. Living the I life. To me own a thing them where I like. My life, I like. Well, if you ask me, I don't know why some man a live like a head junker. Let me tell you the truth about mankind. Every man still a live on God time. But enough of them a live with bad mind. Food for your red, me say not mine. Man a working from long time. So me are the first mankind in a my time. See I live my life. Do me own a thing them well. Living the high life. Me not trust no one with my life. My life. That's true that. Yeah, man, the next track, it's called Summertime. You know, say summer now, so we have to enjoy ourselves. Done. Sometimes it get hot. You know the thing, go. Summertime now, party place we grow. So a party life we know. Winter time as snow. So your party life we know. Yo, yo, yo. Let me tell you about the days of our life.
We go party with the girls and the wives. We love to party, believe me. It's an holiday, we love to party, believe me. From Kingston to Mobay, we love to party, believe me. I don't care what nobody say, we love to party, believe me. It's an holiday. Clean to me step, clean to me step. Cash in on me and me no take check. Party full of a gal and we no start yet. Plus more gal a fly come from West yet. Pick come wine pan man, get wet. And if a your gal a wine up, don't sweat. Is a dark skin man she want roll with. Cause we know how fi wine pan. We love to party, believe me. It's an holiday, we love to party, believe me. From Kingston to Mobay, we love to party, believe me. I don't care what nobody say. We love to party, believe me. It's an holiday. Party shot can't flop star. Cuddy, parking lot full of hot car. We a movie star, actor. Your girl like me, so me tax her. Wait, you don't believe me? Ask her. Say she want roll with pop star. You see and gold him a chat star. But him love party, no. We love to party, believe me. It's an holiday, we love to party, believe me. From Kingston to Mobay, we love to party, believe me. I don't care what nobody say. We love to party, believe me. It's a dash of that. One more time, the seeker. Jump it again. You don't never see a bad man live 50-90. Only hard-working, progressive youth. Get a youth, be wise, open up your eyes. Our time now.
Our time now.
No more separation. War and crime bring separation. Yeah. Get a youth, time for elevation.
That's right.
Plant me a plant money tree. Me a plant it for you and me. R.I.P. poverty. Hello, success.
Yes.
Mr. Progress.
That's right.
If you're not say money, you're not say nothing.
No
progress, cause you're not do nothing. Can't drink to success, you're not achieve nothing. Hold on, you is a waste man. Me never born rich, but me not dead poor. Real hustlers come from poor, but me want sink in a money like quicksand. Wallet a fi big like a bring fun. Tell you about progress. Get a youth to have success. Youth we have enough things, education. Money in a pocket, money in a hand. Get a youth to have enough house, car and land. Life is hard and complicated. No matter how it's rough, we have to make
progress.
I said, you're not telling me about your stress, cause I carefree. Every man have them own philosophy. Some are pretty girls, some are pretty money. Me, I rather stay stress free. Well, of my time now, so what the money me a pre. No matter what me have, me say me still want more. We don't know we need game, but me still want score. Cause me tired to live. So damn, come on, progress. That's
Rational. JC, we're there, you know. And I want to start by saying thank you for giving me this opportunity. It's a pleasure, you know. Yeah, man. May I kick it off like this a cappella. Boy, girl, you know you can hear when my heart beat when I'm lying beside you. Baby, you make my heart leap. No one else but you. And even when in our deep sleep, I'm reaching out for you. As baby, you made us complete. So much I adore you. We find a love that we shall keep. So let me reassure you. With every step that I take in every day, I'm awake, filled with much more than emotions. With every beat of my heart and every breath that I take, say this is love and devotion. And baby, it's okay, things will never change, cause I've been loving you so long. Don't be afraid of the dark, girl, it's a walk in the park together. Dash with that, man. Whoa, yeah. Girl, you know that I'm sorry. So tell me something, can you handle this? Do you need some more of my tenderness? This love that I've got, it's hard to resist. So I'm giving you the chance to cherish it. Tell me, can you handle this? You tell me true love is no longer exist. But I'm the man to trust, cause I'm giving you it. Now here is the chance to cherish. You told me that, girl, I took you back. When I look into your eyes, and then I said, I'm not those other guys that don't like to use you. Then them chastise. When never get the chance, I know them want to criticize. Within a sheep clothing, I saw them disguise. So run away the boys and with them naked eyes. The mood I only like for sex, they wouldn't take you for them bride. So me glad me that you did not walk on your pride. You keep your sanity and all your goes inside. So be empress, me a protect and guide. She does a bubble up to feel my loving inside. I water she flow from my passionate. So tell me, can you angle this? Do you need some more of my tenderness? It's love that I've got, it's hard to resist. Giving you the chance to cherish it. Tell me, can you angle this? You told me true love is no longer exist. But I'm the man to trust cause I'm a giving you it. Now here is a chance to cherish it. You told me that, girl, my love got no limit. Or you perform, that's the way you get my credit. Here is my love, you better come and have it before it's too late. And you shall regret it. Now want me love to mix up in a no triangle. So he's a crowd and hunger, you me want fi anger. The way you walk, I know you top babes you a sample. And when you smile, me love to see your dimple. Skin pure and clean, no have no pimple. This time me argument straightforward and simple. Come love me up and make we set an example. Two of us together, go all till me wrinkle. Tell me, can you angle this? Do you need some more? Don't shut up, man. Big up chat lyrics. When I talk about set speed, that the ring go there in I place. So you mean large up yourself, general. I mean I say, Mr. Progress, Anthony Seeker, Jabail. You see, next time you go perform, I feel like I really love them. Especially when you have a hard-working spouse and she'll leave out in the morning early, look after breakfast, make sure say everything in the house ready. And before you even rise, you say, baby, later, she zoops out of the house already. So you see when that happens, general, you know me though? Take up my phone and send a reminder. Let it go. John Lowe babes, how you want me do? Explain it to you. You know me love your body, you know. But here, why? You shoulda known me love you. Believe me, when I hold you in my arms, you're like a soldier, perfect lover. In the middle of a storm, and in the mornings, when we leave for work, girl, I miss you when you're gone. Me miss you when you're gone. Me miss you when you're gone. Baby, or they be jealous over me and you, when them don't have a clue of what we've been through. The criticize is all some do, and them can't walk a mile, baby, in your show. See them know your style, I beat them bad. Elevate yourself to a higher standard. Pays me up for your loyalty. So very real like Roy. Tell me love you, believe me. When I hold you in my arms, you're like a soldier, perfect lover. In the middle of the storm and in the mornings, when we leave for work, girl, I miss you when you're gone. Miss you when you're gone. Miss you when you're gone. Baby, girl, your love is like a very fun one. Got me intoxicated for a long time. It obvious so much it blows my mind when you give me the loving the very first time. Well, I'm so happy with the things we do. Love you no lie, baby, it's the true. Get thick, I will be cuddle up. Me and you come, bubble like get me, baby. You feel real, me love you. Believe me, when I hold you. JC, me love you. Believe me, when I hold you. Calgary, me love you. Believe me, when I hold you in my... Yeah, my time that, you know. And it's a blessed love, you know. John Lowe, man.
Okay, so that was a lot of progress there and some rationality going on. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I do hope you continue to enjoy the show. Remember now we have other artists coming up like Gal Idiot and Nana McLean. You don't want to miss it, so stay tuned. Nikki, wagwan.
Yeah, we could just plug in some supporters, no?
Yeah.
So our next supporter is coming from Creative Minds. That's where I get my do-up. They offer services in barbering, nails, salon, spa, and makeup. You can contact Creative Minds Beauty Center at 403-764-7984. And if you're somebody who wants to, you know, make your body butter and do all your things, contact Saraya Beauty Supply. They have from a pin to an anchor. For all your beauty needs, you can reach them at 403-273-5683.
All right. So we have another great performer from Calgary coming up. Goes by the name of Ayush. That sounds familiar.
How's everybody doing? My name is Ayush Madler. I'm a singer, I write rhymes, and I'm from Calgary, Alberta. I'm very honored to be performing at this year's JCAA multicultural event. You can find me on any streaming platform, any social media platforms by searching on my name, Ayush Madler. It's spelled just how it sounds. Hey, yo, DJ, run it.
Find my soul flying high like an eagle, soar through the sky, swimming right through the breeze, though. Depression had me smoking all this weed, though. Blinded to the fakes, let's go show 'em what is lethal. Flying like an eagle, met my chick on Meagle. You thought that she was evil, she skipped the beat, though. Found that she's sweet, though. She ain't just no average, got a bad chick, she's my dream. She put up a fight when most of you up and leave. Stupid basic chick is only just a Billie Jean. Maybe I'm the thriller making the biggest of scenes. When I close my eyes and finally I can dream. Sleeping calm and I don't feel the panic. Heart felt the worst, I just smiled all through the damage. She made me stronger, told me it don't matter what these other people think. Let's just roll another one and let's go grab a drink. Feeling so sober, getting the closure. Who was getting me over? All the borders, all the favors you couldn't take. You feeling like breezy, look at me now, I'm amazing. Taking and ripping up all the pieces, but still, I am the one that is chasing. Find my soul flying high like an eagle, soar through the sky, swimming right through the breeze, though. Depression had me smoking all this weed, though. Blinded to the fakes, let's go show what it's lethal. Flying like an eagle, met my chick on Meagle. You thought that she was evil, she skipped the beat, though. Found that she's sweet, though. She ain't just no average, got a bad chick, she's my dream. She just wanna see me happy, even if I act a fool. If I am a fool, I'll be a fool for you. Even at my lowest, baby, I adore you. Can we take it to the moon? Leave the past in the dark. Let's go show 'em how we do it. Cause baby, you the spark to a new flame, to my better days. If I didn't have you, I think I'd be lost. Finding a girl of my dreams, didn't know what it cost. She was worth all of the people that never gave us. Baby, keep in mind we aren't there. Find my soul flying high like an eagle, soar through the sky, swimming right through the breeze, though. Depression had me smoking all this weed, though. Blinded to the fakes, let's go show what it's lethal. Flying like an eagle, met my chick on Meagle. You thought that she was evil, she skipped the beat, though. Finding that she's sweet, though. She ain't just no average, got a bad chick, she my dream. She my dream. Yeah.
Hey, yo, DJ, next track.
Give me the time just to love, but baby, you don't mess with me. Give me the pieces that you stole, cause I gave you all of me. Won't you ride for the click, I would die for you. Stuck your middle finger to the sky, said you quit. You would never make the flights to come by to mine. My eyes were even open really high off the. I was broken, I was sitting there all damaged. We was taking pictures just to go and Instagram it. Caption low-key just a diss, but they won't understand it. You was messing with my legal like way back then. Like way back then, you know when we was pretty young. We was talking about our marriage, hope we didn't sound too young. Cause my best friend really left me, now I'm permanently numb. You just left me on the side, since then I've been feeling so I just try to keep myself above the clouds. The turbulence just wanna low-key have me in my doubts. Screaming Mayday, we're falling back to the ground. Can you save me? I'm feeling I'm about to drown. Cause my baby, she didn't want me around. She kinda crazy, she said that she got me down. She said we was forever, but it's just a letdown. I was calling up my princess, but I didn't have the crown. Give me the time that you stole, cause you never really messed with me. Give me the old me back, cause I gave you all of me. I'll ride for my click, suicide for this. She was acting up a little, let's goodbye to this. She was praying for my downfall, who am I for the quits? Most you demons gon' be fiending now that I'm gon' be rich. She's so selfish, an illusion. I was living at my highest, no confusions. You was only just a mask, a conclusion. Now I'm sitting at this curb with confusions, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
So there you have it. Hey, Yosh.
Yes, that was a good performance.
Yeah, Blake, you better watch out, Drake or Blake or whoever.
It's
yeah,
Drake.
Drake, all right.
Drake,
See,
sir. Drake.
Watch out, Drake, he's coming.
All right. Again, just a little thing here, Conrad. You know, Jamaicans colorful. Yes. Tell me how it break down a conversation. So you see me want to go up on the corner, I'm going to go some rocks. I'm going to go some boom bang. I'm going to just walk over and say, you know, I'm going to go some I'm going to just ring.
Yeah.
I'm going to just chuck it back. So what did I just say?
In a word, what you just say is that you're gone home. That's how me get from that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how me.
Drop in the comments some ways Jamaicans speak.
Conrad, me gone home.
You're gone home. All right.
Yeah.
Not using words. Jamaica, tell you, we truly are the heartbeat of the world.
Given is when you do this. You go round this up and you come back
And you pass one tree,
Yeah.
and when you see stone in the middle of the road,
all right.
there are several stones
how
in
we
the
do it.
middle of the road.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. All right, so we are coming up to the end of the show. So the next performance you're going to be seeing is from Champagne and Galidiot. Enjoy the man them thing, all right?
All right.
Holy Emmanuel, I King Selassie, it was said in the beginning that pagan will fall. Them can't rise none at all. You understand? As I would say, chant down the Babylon and them friend. A corona them send. Yeah, we gon' rise above strain, above strife and rough life, and we gon' keep on doing what we doing just to survive. Yo, I know your sickness or your good health, everything is gonna be alright. Be alright. Yo, me wake up early every morning, exercise, and then me build one vibes. Build one vibes. Grand rising in the morning every day, you better open your eyes. Systematic pandemic, them a tell beer lies. And them now want to see the poor improvise. Get business, they live up and rise. They get corrupt on the acre, them are the vaccine perpetrator. The one Bill Gates I try send we to Jamaica. Worldwide in a Jamaica, them send the infiltrator. Them gonna stop use money now, put in the data. Bitcoin and crypto, the values them go switch up. Stocks and bonds, them I wonder how we rich so. And this and a disco, the reggae just a hit so. A corona them send. Yeah, we gon' rise above strain, above strife and rough life, and we gon' keep on doing what we doing just to survive. Yo, I know your sickness or your good health, everything is gonna be alright. Be alright. Yo, me wake up early every morning, exercise, and then me build one vibes. Build one vibe. Yo, Kadamawe. Everywhere we go, Babylon a worry. Kadamawe. They not go kill me like them kill Marcus Garvey. I wanna split and mix the roots up with some ribena. The music full of life and it's so irene. Bob Marley, Zimbabwe, Martin Luther, them and Irina. Them fight. Be survival every day, every night. Them fight. So me couldn't take me culture fi hide. Yeah, we gon' rise above strain, above strife and rough life, and we gon' keep on doing what we doing just to survive. Yo, I know your sickness or your good health, everything is gonna be alright. Be alright. Yo, me wake up early every morning, exercise, and then me build one vibe. Build one vibe. So why? Them fabricating, it's agitating. Family cry. Damn blasted media, dirty Wikipedia. TV plat, radio contract. Them download everything off your laptop. And the ready on your phone and make a stop. Them a audio record all when you're not chat. The signal look up, NASA got the grip lock. Facial recognition and voice with code lock. 21st century, you better know that. Here we go, here we go. The Ebonic Production. Remember good man.
Want it natural, listen.
Chop man chop in the streets. Chop man chop in the streets. Yeah. Chop man chop in the streets. Chop man chop in the streets. Here we do. Move to the stage. We got lyrics that we glued to your heads. Real top bang at them true to we ways. Life on a book you can't skip through the page. When we step to all our envy. Critics and bad mind are your enemy. Them are looking at me and them are saying to me, your credibility. Two in the top bang and them are witches in me fall. Them not like to see when we just shopping at the mall. Lamborghini the size of the Ferrari when we ball. We are one them girls, so them are bring you a call. So welcome to the king for the land of the king and queen. Right now man I also for a million greens. Me fund me a slack in a million scheme. Just go pick up and I'm on the drop and game. Style of me metaphors that and clean. One different in Canada New Jack fancy. Hope you know what we mean. Let me tell you now. Hope them know. We keep locking these shows. International styles and flow. African pros. Move to the stage. We got the rich that include the yes. Real top bang and them true to we ways. Life on a book you can't skip through the page. Run them not really on the road and I'm a radio. Different nationality and galaxy and the yo. That I make us them up in the world and know them here yo. Best friend and family send up a stage. Too many top bang and them are rich to see me fall. Them not like me see me not up in the mall. I'm not getting tied up in the Ferrari. Tied up in the Ferrari. Tied up in the Ferrari. Rich boss about them girls. Them up with you of God. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. Day Bunny. Remember good no man. Chop in the streets. Rock in the streets. Yo, Spooky Dan. I remember them. Champion the top bang on this. World, I gone on this. Blast it up. We are doing free culture. We are doing free culture. We Jamaican culture. We Canadian culture. We American culture. We African culture. We UK culture. We Caribbean culture. In one world we are doing free culture.
Yeah, people, listen to me. You see, when you're doing good in life, people will always talk. You know what I mean? And anything you do, believe in yourself. Even your close friend, they will tell you, say, you can't do it. All who know me, yeah, know saying comedy, me a legend. Some they doubt me, so I can't do music. Pity they never know. Me have one of the #1 song in a Gambia right now. You know what I mean? So believe in yourself. Chop it, my selector. You know what I mean? Top banger. Yes, when people are fight you when them have more than you, and you try to figure out why them attack you when you have nothing, let them know God say, if them are bad mind you at this level, how them are going to stop you when they reach us? JCAA cultural event people, let me tell you now. Them are going with a whole heap of things, the great things, you know what I mean? I like some entertainers. Canada, top bagger. If I saw me, then no one them bad mind me.
Imagine when me reach it up, enough not gonna like me. But if them hit me, I go stop to them and fight me. The whole of them I get a shock a jaw guide me. And no me alone of this kind of hatred. And the 4 years get to you spin and narrated. But listen keenly to the message when me wake with. God have a plan for your stomach, but I get frustrated. So what we a go do? Cut them all off. We cut them all off. Serious me not laugh. Cut them all off. We cut them all off. Cut them all off. We cut them all off. Serious like judgment all off. Cut them all off. We cut them all off. We cut them no want to see you elevate higher state. Also decorate money pick up like a heavyweight. Rather you deteriorate lower state, not no generating up beyond prison gate. But keep the faith, no bother penetrate on the street, or you them can't eradicate, so make them go hallucinate. You see the pay get eliminated, exterminate by people who ain't did a rate and you ain't discriminate. So we be a go to cut them a pool. Next shot, my selector. Daddy Rock, big up all our real fathers them. You know what I mean?
Yo, I miss your boy say.
All our real fathers them, all our mothers them will play the daddy role.
Can't impregnate
That one and another normal people. Big up the solid leader. Daddy rock. Everybody do the daddy. If you can't do that dancer, you are not bad. Daddy rock. Everybody do the daddy rock. Hey, Planky, you know that one. Who no do the daddy rock? Everybody do the daddy rock. If you can't do that dancer, you are not bad. Daddy rock. Everybody do the daddy rock. The whole world tell me say that one. Alright, if you can't do that dancer, you bong. That mean you will never get a daughter no son. But you a top girl, this song girl around the dung. But remember, you can't get a girl. Yo. If you a stepfather, that no really counts. If you never get a yellow jacket from you upon. When disappear, don't stand up, try sit down. This someone having the read that did the way up. Oh no, do the everybody do the daddy rock. If you can't do the dance, you are the daddy rock. Everybody do the daddy rock. Pull up! Yeah, I'm a son that little idiot. I'm a big idiot. Good people. Now let me big up later vibes out of Teda, Toronto. Because of you, right now the thing shot. You know what I mean? Everybody know this. It's a play for every radio station. It's all over the world. Remember, go subscribe and watch the video on YouTube. Right, so drop it, my general. You know Shreps. Them start saying me a Canada ding dong. How I go on, man? You ready? Some girls said them hot, but nobody no see that about them look good when them house a leak. How about the sticky wiggy, silly billy man eat, and then the man they go the left because they say you're more deep. After that girl them sexy, so don't beat, body lit up anytime them touch the concrete. Body clean, mouth fresh, Listerine. If you violate, you lose your foot. Right. Right. Trouble. Right. Trouble. Everybody right you know. Everybody get up and right you. On the right you. Watch it. I'm not figure for the things on the figure box. And you look like we hotter than the tea in the cup. Actually you love to chat too much, you don't pick up. That's why top bag and make a baby mad that cut. Really are the where the people. There. When tell this beer you see what place smash up. This body, what you make it? Right you, right. Right. Trouble, right. Love on the big up on yourself, you hear that? Boo! I got to that, I look at that, you see it.
Hi, I'm Shaggy. Lift your spirit. Sing, dance, chill like a Jamaican.
So now it's time for you to practice your dance moves.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.
Okay, so there you have it. That was Galidiat. Before him was Champagne.
Yes.
And who was the little man?
Oh, that is apparently is Little Idiot. So
Really? What
Big
a name
Idiot,
you
then
gave
Little
for it, you know?
Idiot.
No, man.
Only,
All right.
only a Jamaican.
Only
would
a
do that.
Jamaican. would
Only
take
a
chance like
Jamaican.
that. Exactly. Okay, so we're coming down to one of our main acts right now. This is our very own Miss Nana McLean. And people, I know you're going to like this one.
Yes.
So, Nana McLean.
Whoa, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. I know you didn't want to be the one to say you're leaving. Oh, yeah. 'Cause you really didn't want to hurt my feelings. Yeah. Oh. So you tell it to my friends. Yeah. You even tell it to your friends. Oh. So they could tell it to my face. Yeah. How much you really need your space. But it's okay now to tell me how you feel. Yes, it's okay now. Oh, yes, it's okay now. That's exactly how I feel. Yes, it's okay now. Oh, time and time I try to figure out the situation. Oh, was a love or was it just an infatuation? Oh, 'cause between me and you, we couldn't even make it work. Oh, so we try to figure out the time when we could tell each other that it's okay now to tell me how you feel. Yes, it's okay now. Oh, oh. Yes, it's okay now. That's exactly how I feel. Yes, it's okay now. Oh, oh. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yes, I know you didn't want to be the one to say you're leaving. Yeah. Oh. 'Cause you really didn't want to hurt my feelings. Yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. So you tell it to my friends. Yeah. You even tell it to your friends. Oh, so they could tell it to my face, yeah. How much you really need your case. But it's okay now to tell me how you feel. Yes, it's okay now. Whoa. Oh, yes, it's okay now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, yes, it's okay now. Whoa, 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 yeah. eternity. Oh, your kiss, yes, it belongs to me now. Yes, it belongs to me now. On till eternity. Sincerely, don't you know how I love you? Hey, I will do anything for you, baby, baby. Please say you'll be mine. Oh, sincerely, don't you know how I love you? Hey, I will do anything for you, baby, baby. Please say you'll be mine. Oh, Eddie, my love, you're all I pray for. Eddie, my love, you're all I pray for. Please, Eddie, don't make me wait too long. Oh, I've waited for this moment to be by your side. What your friend told me, you got teardrops in your eyes. Oh, Eddie, don't make me wait too long. 'Cause you're my love, you're my angel, you're the one of my dreams. Well, I could thank you for waiting patiently. Oh, Eddie, don't make me wait too long. Ba, 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 ba. Whoa, whoa, ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. You're mine, oh, you're mine. Yes, we belong together. Yes, we belong together. Oh, till eternity. Ba, 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 ba.
Okay, so that was Nana McLean, entertaining us with some very good oldies but goodies. Now, our president, Mr. Donovan Simons, is going to join me right now and share some nice things.
Well, I don't know if I have any nice things to share, but really what I want to do is just say a big thanks to everybody who supported what we did today. This was a first-time effort in the face of the pandemic and all the challenges. So everybody who supported Little Taste, thank you, big up. All the people who took the time to join the cultural showcase virtually, again, thank you. All the sponsors, all the supporters, all the donors, big thank you to everybody. Grace, Loblaws, Wholesale, I might forget a few of them. No Frills, right? The list goes on. There's quite a bit. The event planning committee, Hermelin, Cheryl, Nikki, can't name them. Yannick, Bernie, whole heap of hours, lots of work. And the volunteers, the people who came out today to make this all happen. Thanks to Nicole, thanks to Conrad for hosting, Alan behind the scenes, lots of other people. Really want to say a big thank you from the JCAA for everybody who supported what we did today and who will continue to support what we're doing. We did this hopefully to get some donations. We raised some. There's more because there's a lot that we want to do to be positive contributors to our community. So once again, thanks to everybody for supporting what we did. The show not done yet, right? So come back on, you know, with the 2MC then. Come back on, you know, and take over. Again, thank you very much. Big up, stay safe.
Anyway, yes, so that was our president.
Say president say it all.
Does him look like Barack?
You look at Barack?
Yeah, man. Our
Okay.
president that. Yeah, so as the president shared, we're not completely done yet. However, for me and Nikki, we want to say thank you very much for tuning
man.
in.
Yeah, it was a fun show. And if you miss it, guess what? Fio Punka Mark Nat. Yeah.
Okay.
So hope you enjoy.
Nigga, where you get them talking from?
I don't know. So
No, you're
somebody
good.
need to tell me what is Punka, or maybe it's my country. Alone of them were there, but your Punka just mark now. But thanks
Yeah,
again. We're not gonna take up your time. So just remember, you can still stay on and tune in to the musical stylings of Mike Totally Clips Brown. Because the man are gonna
Alright.
end the show up good and proper in true Jamaican style.
So once again,
yeah, man.
Walk good.
Walk good, stay
And do
good.
all
Yes.
right.
Don't know. Thank you.
Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring. Ring with the harmonies of eclipse sound. Okay, a blessed be. Yeah, big up man like Mike Brown. I'm saying chat lyrics. I'm saying Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto. You don't know the thing, go worldwide thing. Run it, Mike Brown.
Well, when you're weary and feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will drive them home. Oh, well, yeah, I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found like a breeze over troubled water, I will lay me down like a breeze over troubled water. I will lay me down. Oh Lord, my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all thy works thy hand doth make. I see the stars, I hear the mighty thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, how great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, how great thou art, how great thou art. When through the woods, the forest glades I wander, and hear the bird sing sweetly in the trees. When I look down from lofty mountain grandeur, and hear the root and feel the gentle breeze, Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art.
Check, check. Want to say goodnight to everyone that's tuning in on the live, the 2021 Cultural Show. You know, Mike Brown's here, and this is how we do it. Nice and easy, warm and ease.
Cry, oh no, no. Just remember that God is standing by. Hold on, yeah. When you have heartaches, don't cry. Oh no, just remember that God is standing by. Sometime when your burden is down, just remember God is standing by. Thank you, Lord. So there's no need to cry. Oh, God is standing by. Thank you, Lord. So don't you worry.
Voice outside, George Nooks, Ting Call, just early sneak. Thanks for everyone watching through.
When you have troubles, don't cry. Oh no, just remember that God is standing by. When you come running over, just remember God is standing by. Thank you, Lord. So there's no need to cry. God is standing by. Thank you, Lord. So don't you worry and don't cry. Oh no, yeah.
Vex Kobo. Jump Shot Records.
You know I couldn't come here and not play none of the jump shot selections. We get inside.
So many things I should have tell you. So many times I should have let you know. But now my chance gone, you in another man's arms. I guess that's how things are go. They say give a broken heart time for healing, but I still can't get over this feeling. Hide my tears with a smile and act like everything fine, knowing it's your love that I'm needing. I know there's no getting over you. I don't know how I'm gonna make my way through. I know there's no getting over you. I have to make believe I can make.
Jump Shot Records.
One more try, we get inside voice of DJ Vex, Ting Call, The Recovery. I want the guys listen to this one.
So many things I should have tell you. So many times I should have let you know. But now my chance gone, you in another man's arms. I guess that's how things are go. They say give a broken heart time for healing, but I still can't get over this feeling. Hide my tears with a smile and act like everything fine, knowing it's your love that I'm needing. I know there's no getting over you. I don't know how I'm gonna make my way through. I know there's no getting over you. I'll have to make believe I can make do. You stole my heart and left sorrow, and I know that it's best if I just let you go. I know there's no getting over you. Some dreams will never come true. With her, me would have spent enough time. She was the notes for me melody, the words for me rhyme. Wife material, me nah lie. Kept on searching for a way to tell her what I'm feeling inside, but I couldn't find the right words to say. Couldn't find the right phrase, nor the right cards to play. So she slipped through my hand just like water, not knowing what could have been that the worst kind of torture. I know there's no getting over you. I don't know how I'm gonna make my way through. I know there's no getting over you. I have to make believe I can.
Oh, slow it down. I want an everlasting memory. Oh, slow it down. She having nightmares. I wanna wake up in recovery. Oh, slow it down. I want an everlasting memory. Oh, slow it down. Rock with me, girl, rock with me. Mr. DJ, let the music play. Rock with me, girl, rock with me. We are waiting for this nice day. Rock with me, girl, rock with me. Mr. DJ, let the music play. Rock with me, girl, rock with me. Like James Bond, you will be on the mission. Me say pick up ISIS. Him say when it vision out tonight. You may make a decision. Me say dance of it all up. Long time you will sit up. Tell them yard man thing. You will have to go and rebel with this young little thing. She a go and well bubble. Tell the waitress one shot. Now go and make it bubble. Cause tonight we're going up in a trouble. Rock with me, girl, rock with me. Mr. DJ, let the music play. Rock with me, girl, rock with me. We are waiting for this nice day. Rock with me, girl, rock with me. Mr. DJ, let the music play. Rock with me, girl, rock with me.
Vex Kobo. Jump Shot Records.
My name is Blessed. Okay, lift every voice and sing. From the inception of life, black man, I know you were born to be great. Before the slave ships and whips, we were kings, our women were queens. We were taught by the enemies to hate ourselves.
Jump Shot Records.
My name is Blessed. Okay, lift every voice and sing. From the inception of life, black man, I know you were born to be great. Before the slave ships and whips, we were kings, our women were queens. We were taught by the enemies to hate ourselves. They told us the devil is black. Now we rob and kill ourselves, deceive and abuse our women. Black man, every nation I kill the black man. Yeah, they see nothing wrong, cause every day they see a black man kill another black man. Black man, every nation I kill the black man. Yeah, they see nothing wrong, cause every day they see a black man kill another black man.
Whoa, whoa, why? Ooh, la. Oh, yes, I am. Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the topics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey,
She have a rich history, a beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me say she tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronixx is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me, I beg you do for me. And I say, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Hey, smile for me, Jamaica.
Voice outside Chronixx Twin Call.
Here am I.
Early sneak, you know.
I'm here for you, Jamaica.
2021 cultural show.
Oh,
virtual style, you know.
And that she asked me, and this I want me say, a sweet, sweet Chronixx, you forgive them, give them. The one drop beat, pan a rhythm. And you give them bob with a different step in. And you give them bolt, nobody can run left him. Boy. But see ya, them must think say you're out of ideas. You give them art and sweet literature. You're gonna make the world see the better picture. I said no worry yourself, mama. Chronixx is here to your help,
Voice outside Chronixx Twin Call.
I said no worry yourself, mommy.
And as we're bringing in warm and easy, nice and smooth, and I just want to say enough respect reaching out to Ash. You did a wicked job. Champagne Messiah. Gal idiot. Salute. But you know, Mike Brown there, you know, says just a late night thing. So let's see how I do it.
You want me?
Hold on. Let me start it from the top. Computer thing. You know how the computer thing go already. Well, I fix it one time. Hold on. Want to big up all the crew that came out and support the thing. And you know, it was an afternoon thing. It was really, really, really nice. I seen it myself. I should have Snapchatted, but you know how it go. Voice back inside Bada Bada with a thing called The Barrel. Check it out.
Hello. Yo, DJ, at the barrel me a pop. Yeah. Credit a shape, me not have long for chat. Alright. Just tell me what you want, as a matter of fact. Wait, let me just tell you what I got so far. Couple bag of jasmine rice, my buy.
Me no eat jasmine rice, no, not I.
And it's expensive to you, know me not lie.
Rice with them, they name them chop. Why?
DJ, no bother with the joke. You want bacon in the barrel?
No pork and butter, you don't know the thing. Straight shower gel in the barrel, no Irish Spring. And chewing couple pack of Oreos for the kids and some frosted flakes. You don't know the thing.
Yo, dog, go easy now, you.
And before me forget this time, no send no Campbell soup.
Alright, so me a send off the barrel a morning. Right. Just relax and wait for. I'm not send no money to help clear it. And you have to pay for. Me a send off the barrel a morning.
Voice outside barrel, Jacob.
But me not send no money to help clear it. And you have to pay for. Yo, hear me, man. Eclipse. You know, tell the girl them say a pay back time. Yo, Mike Brown. Tell the girl them. My girl, if you want him rub your belly, send money go on Mike Brown sell it. Money in my
all pull, you know already. We have to play this one from the start so I know say a splice thing at 2021, the virtual thing. So check it out as we start from the top.
Yeah, Eclipse sound this. And a bad general talking, you know Mike Brown, the whole team, you know, man. Big up yourself, you know, man. You know Calgary, Edmonton, you know Vancouver, Toronto, the whole Canada, you know. Yo, you know, man. Eclipse. You know, tell the girl them say a pay back time. Yo, Mike Brown. Tell the girl them. My girl, if you want him rub your belly, send money go on Mike Brown sell it. And money in my deal with on the blunt shot. You know how I'm selling. Use cash app. You know we international. Eclipse sound it no local. So if a girl want the sex, she have to send money to the PayPal. Fund the money up. Send it to Mike Brown, money up. And money we are deal with. So tell the girl them we done shot. Send it to the money up. Send the money to Eclipse Sound, money up. Cause Western Union Blackway. And MoneyGram we know I see that. Remember this on a one time. Like old time days, like long time. When a man alone, the office spend, call Mike Brown a bar. Y'all a pay for wine. See them face, make them go and look. I rob them a rob man, go and crook. Cause if a social media we meet, send money go on Mike Brown Facebook. And the money up. Just send the money to the money up. And money Mike can deal with. So tell
Just touched down in the airport. Chat suit and my Air Force. All of my gal them love me. All the ones say me ugly. She go spot me designer. She want give me the vagina. Everything I from London, Bond Street. Nothing ever come from China. I mean pop up, me tag them. My new Benz it a mad them. Every day me a swag them. Louis de pa me back them. See me not too swim in a light beach. And me too black, me not like bleach. Phone no stop ring when a night reach. Even your girl want try peace. I see him so me do it. So me do it.
Hey yo, just touched down and out of G5. You know I'm buzzing like a beehive. We still bumping to that C5. Fendi prints coming knee highs. Body good is some mud them. Fierce pretty me a problem. Everything from Paris, Milan, straight off the runway when I grab them. Platinum plaques in my office. Turn that $1 million office. I don't fuck with the middleman, low ranks. I'ma only meet with the bosses. Swimming or two, swimming I like beach. Y'all know I'm a game and I like teach. Ride the dick good when my man reach. Now your boyfriend want try peace. I see him so we do it.
So me do it. Just touch down like. Lay to the side like ding dong. Oof. Chain them a swing like swing song. Oof. Your light skin girlfriend like me. Like even though I'm a black like King Kong. She like every pick up on my Ingram. So right away she a sing song. Sing. But tell her to call me a yard. I may put the cheek in a England. Yeah. Limited space for the man. Yeah. Whole heap of space for the gal. Yo. Tackles alone, so put your cups down. If I table dog, that's straight shut down. Style and make you wind up your body, girl. Bumper clock, wind up your body, girl. You know I'm the axe when you see me. When you see me, every girl you see me with a feeling. You see me? Hey. You see me? Hey.
Your body in a life, man.
Yeah. Every girl you see me with a feeling.
Go on with it, go on with it.
Music, are you kidding me?
Toast, yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and we thank God for the journey, the earnings, not just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall by my right hand. What's that toast with the friends that take off every load one time? Did sit down in a class and we pour then only set the road and we go on with the road. Third form, me say me tired thing. And you know it formed out to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic fire sing. Yeah, see me all dig you soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, you say I to shot ya. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot to be all in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast to the friends we take off every load one time. Big sit down in a class and we go then only set the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's how our blessings upon me. And send me picture them a story. That's how our blessings upon me. And that's how I mean I give him the go, the breathe, I'm delighted. That knows I'm a passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life and I thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must.
Voice outside coffee chick call.
Hey. With the friends we take off every load one time. Did sit down in a class and we board then only set the road and we go on with the road.
All right, coffee drink call the sneaker peek. You know already. You know I can't come here and not play a tune for Don Pre. So Don Pre, anywhere in the world you're there, big up because of your time now. Check it out.
Jump Shot Records.
Idiot ball, God. Yo, Jump Shot. Yeah.
We get inside drink call, only a few to go, then we call it a night. And I want to say thank you to all who came and support the Ching, the 2021 virtual Ching, and support themselves, you know?
Emotionless, some around people. Can't drop my guard for always. Steady car park face out. Always ready. Roll with a bed round yet night bed. Mama say for low badness. Me coulda dead already, but me get a phone call. God say I'm never ready. Want reserve my space down at the cemetery. My time soon come. Tell them we don't ready. Figure living in the cemetery. My God, protect my head. I can't make them fly my daily. My 3 pints we don't ready. Feel dead. Man, my live till 100.
We not ready. No, we not ready. No.
Still ask God to protect my soul. Well, if I run, I'm doing on the past. Man, the road for a night, me not treat just slow. And if I think to the tank, you might tell us, come on, let's nice.
Watch it. No. You know I can't come here and just play Don Pre just like that. Don Pre, would you mind? From top, we get inside Ching call.
Idiot ball.
Jump shot, anyway you're there.
Yo, Jump Shot.
Brother for years, you're not ready. Salute.
We not ready for that. Mike Brown, no, ready. Ooh, Mars. Emotionless, some around people. Can't drop my guard for always. Steady car park face out. Always ready. Roll with a bed round yet night bed. Mama say for low badness. Me coulda dead already, but me get a phone call. God say I'm never ready. Want reserve my space down at the cemetery. My time soon come. We don't ready. Figure living in the cemetery. My God, protect my head. I can't make them fly my daily. My 3 pints we don't ready. Feel dead. Man, why live till 100? We don't ready. Figure living in the cemetery. No. Born assassin, I make it stay so. Still ask God to protect my soul. Well, if I wrong, I'm doing on the past. Man, the road for a night, me not treat just slow. And if I think to the tank, you might tell us, come on, let's nice, man, I'm bleed to the enemy. He had no more, my Glock full of bad energy. And then if I do put my bucket on memory, my spot them, show me see a dead coach, one face, burn them, camouflage like I'm fancy. I'm saying, you hope you won't forget them out, call the shots, lay them flat, wrong lizard. Yeah. Mama tell him go and go repent. Turning on your church look a strength. The man is still full of my bad said. Now we call upon God and we don't ready. Figure living in the cemetery. My God, protect my head. I can't make them fly my jelly. My chief and we don't ready. Feel dead. Man, why live to 100? We don't ready. Figure living in the cemetery.
All right, Don Pre, Champagne, would you mind?
Jump Shot Records.
Don't forget, you can get all these songs on Spotify. Jump Shot!
Champion of the girls, bring up the girls. I'm not lyrics, shot lyrics. All right then, now mess around the product. Hey, you better know us. And we chopping these seats, rocking these seats. Burn right, rolling in the turbos, smoking this cool. I'm so high on the mountain, they can't overlook. 20 girls in the jet, flying overseas. I'm making this money, keep begging me please. Chop street, that street, 17 black street. Bring the Omega like it's a bed in the backseat. When we chop every bricks and the girl gets a hot beat. That street, they can do what you go to Brad Green. Boom, them push up, as well fun. She run the streets, you burn know that. When she come feed, she bring the girls and the block. And when we come to, me bring the burners and the mock. Chat the lyrics, know the group of the world and that. And when she come to, we have a girl on the VIP, well full of gold back, we have a. So I tap on a thing, remember that. Jump shot, jump street, that street, 17 black street. Bring the Omega like it's a bed in the backseat. When we got every bricks and the girl gets a hot beat. That street, take a road trip and go to Brad Green. Take a road trip, go to Brad Green. Take a road trip, go to Brad Green. Parties not now. Girls have a wine and a laugh now. And you know be hot now. Man chopping this city to have you. Black in the world, man in the girl. She look like Miss World. Oh,
the top street, that street, 17 black street. We got a mega lucky, so many in the back seat. The mega lucky with the sitting with a young sweet. Put them on the night and on the day and on the top street. Take a trip, go to Grand Creek. Take a trip, go to Grand Creek.
Go for them, sir. You get the ganja? Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir, no, some of the blood clutches, boy. Eh? In your coke?
Hold on. Dave, come here. Come here, Dave. Don't just do that. You're on camera now. Many people don't know you're there. Say one thing.
Watch it now, people. See it? It says Mike on the spin. Mike, give me something now. More, give me something real so people know that today was a big time day for the JCCA.
You just come. You miss all the children. Now I've got you the cat.
All right.
But there, yes or no?
Right, give something.
Go for them,
squad. Gilbert.
You get the ganja? Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir, no, some of the blood clutches, boy. Eh? In your coke?
No, sir. Not like this.
Watch me now.
The plane just crashed with the coke. When I put it in my nose, sell it. Like say me have a store. We had the plug, now you wanna charge phone. The plane just crashed with the coke. Plane just crashed with the coke. Highland crash with the coke, man. I'm glad said the plane land and it not broke. Get the 15 with the scope, trample the road. AK full alone, pass me the code. 1 million plus tax for your key. Tell a rat don't ramp with me cheese. The alien them I'ma capture your feet. Be a shot, take your be a crocodile teeth. Them know me no fuck when I reach. Fuck when I reach, and no fuck when I speak. I hear kill, the nazi pint kill. Anybody miss again, knock up like me.
Yes, sir. Claim the card. Brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use my chopper phone, no chatting a lot. I ramp with my mother phone. Spanish town, foreign account, bang a phone, couple other phone. The thing can't too loud, but I'm a clock boat fast and move out. On a school bus, the young I move like when I shoot gun. Yeah, my gun, which part of the union? Look more at the studio. I grade from a gun where the moon go. Them no say the East crime if it's true enough. But represent the East side. Ooh,
The U.S. Federal Trade Commission says Jamaican scammers are still calling unsuspecting people in the U.S., claiming they've won millions. But of course, then asking them to send a fee to release the winnings.
Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam.
Or should I say, them fool to gal. Hey, Eclipse sound, them nav gal like. Mike Brown, them nav gal like. Mega them, hold on, Nah copy, one copy, can't copy, tell them don't copy. Ain't gal love off the alligator fracture lip. Me no touch, you could beat me gal up. Me big woman in a R6. Missy picture from a fool like a both side. Chicken neck, gal like a fuck fight. Don't sky, give your parents to some bright. Full of gal need parties over like that. Good body gal, she a bike rider. Rolex have a cheap like dirty water. See your cheese like your teeth like clock sour. Gal a blow up on the pipe, me no pile pipe.
Let me see the ladies there. One finger. One finger in the air. Yeah.
When I wake up, thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say bitch, I'm the best. Way too blessed. Bitch, I'm the best. Way too blessed. No matter why I try, you can never be me, never I. Keep petting from the side, let me take this blood clot worldwide. Never had to pretend, I'm a part-time too, that's a 10. Never ever beg friend, if they're not with me no worry about them. Oh, blind man can see. mistake. Whoa. So every day I repeat it. I say, first thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say, bitch, I'm.
Sure, my girl, come flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Make your bumper flip like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Girl, wind up on my body, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Me why you come wine your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy. Girl, you a party animal. To own your wine, you drive me crazy. Girl, you a party animal. You wine so good, you just so good. Girl, me love how you party. She take 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, she come back for more. She take off the shoes and on the dance floor. Then she start to go out like a sword. Then she approach me just like a cure. Me know that she like me tonight, me a score. She sexy, she beautiful and she pure. Girl, you me adore. So wind up on my body, girl. Wind us like a carnival. Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl.
Girl, don't waste no time. Wine like you wine. Wine like you wine. Show them you're young and free. Girl, you want to wine. Wine like you wine. Wine like you wine. Like if you gone crazy. This girl is trouble when she bubble when she wind up on it. She's trouble when she bubble when she bite on the lip. She's trouble when she bubble when she wind up on it. She's trouble when she bubble when she whiny. Trouble when she bubble when she wind up on it. She's trouble when she bubble when she bite on the lip. She's trouble when she bubble when she wind up on it. She's trouble when she bubble when she whiny. She have a curve and a landing, space between the legs when she's standing. Every man that love girl knows that means trouble. Hey, hey. Sexy but she's simple, right above her butt, her 2 dimples. When she whine, the whole place gone crazy. Girl, you want to whine, whine like you whine, whine like you whine. Show them you're young and free. Girl, you want to whine, whine like you whine, whine like you whine. Like if you gone crazy.
I know for them why you're dead and gone, but everywhere you go, you hold your head and gone. You know me happy, see me one gone, so I never see me on it happy, know me one gone. Goodbye to me haters, soon my friends. Me a profit of maker, me soon again. It's hard to be away from the land you love. No matter what in the world, I Jamaica land we love. When me just while I'm fresh and I'm feeling right, the dogs check me with the cars and bikes. We turn it up till the broad daylight. Let's show some love, no more war and hype. Ladies come over, party all night. We pick the fruits, all fruits right. We are no some boy with some cartoon hype. We the girls I'm like cause we style them top. I know for them why you're dead and gone, but everywhere you go you hold your head and gone. You know me happy see me one band, so I never see me on the top, you know I'm me one gone. But me vice that they give for the price. They don't want to see me live for me nice. They must snake them and cheese to the mice. That's why them want me the mice. But I know for them why you're dead and gone. But everywhere you go, you hold your head and gone. You know me happy see me one band, so I never see me on the top, you know I'm me one gone.
Let me tell you about streets anywhere we go. Dog them serious. Dog them no nervous. Boy, let me tell you about man, we cool like a Eskimo. No boy can go round we. Hey. I know so the things hit me G. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe up her hurt and drop down flat. Let me tell you about street anywhere we go. Dog them serious. Dog them no nervous. Boy, let me tell you about man, we cool like a Eskimo. No boy can go round we. Hey. I know so the things hit me G.
One phone call it take to make some boy wipe up her hurt and drop down flat. From you not stop my food, dog. Me no matter about you and me no care about that. Can't talk in my face. Say them run place, I run them run round that. Man a action back, some boy only full of tough chatter. Enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up. Talk them a talk, no action fi back. Enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up. Chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that. Empty barrel a make nice dog, them a no nobody, them a no nobody. Yeah. Can't step to the president, all of me dogs, them a be a mad smaddy. Yeah. Have a one piece of metal and a post dog, you no bad man from nowhere. You must see the whole of your life, cause it not work if you step to me. Enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs.
You know what, you may have to tell them one.
Them a talk, no action fi back. Enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up. Chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that.
Strike force, yeah. Strike force.
They think this is just simple, sir.
Strike force, yeah.
One you may have to tell them.
Strike force, yeah. Lick a bit of money, yeah. Lick a bit of money, yeah. Yeah, lick a bit of money, yeah. Lick a bit. Yo, shut your mouth with the lick a bit of money. Shut up. Life is sweet, like me dip it in a honey. Chick a girl with a nigga car and a nigga money. When she meet him, she fuck him, cause that a big a
Whoa. 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 It's all about the contents. Can't have that.
Give me a mad feeling, but the grenade great. With the grab a leaf, send me go a place where gravity no exist. Me love stay there, so no give me no bush weed and no daycare. Be a smoke in the air. The grades blaze making on my dome serenade. Push a fire like when me tap out with the key. Big fat split me about 50 pair. Board more. Me a bill a split longer than bro. Show me no smoke pork. I send it on a board, God. I'm a fella no puff smoke like me nose zone. Even cold stove. I me fuck up the whole zone. Split broad like a toll road and a snow cone. It's hotter than broke bone. Every nose out north when me blow smoke. Johnstown. Everything mad, memories like lighter, hot grabber and a 50 bag. Everything mad, everything mad. Everything mad, everything.
I'm loaded. Yo.
Yo, oh you mean if me love him and I need my heart about it. Every time you book him off I ask so me so lucky. So you can't fuck me no so fussy about the money. But don't take you off, remember say me and a dummy. You a walk with a steel pipe, now for think twice. Push it in a mirror so cocky for have life. You can come from my face or anywhere that you like. Boy just pull up on the east side. Yeah, and bring the cocky, make me ride. I can't wait for a fuck to my song one time. You say you love.
Hold on, Jada. Mainstream with that. Sometimes I forget where we're there. So we have to just remind us a live stream. Seeing so certain things can't play. Seeing so I'm going to make this my last song. I'd like to thank everyone for coming out to the 2021 Cultural Showcase. Want to big up Ash. Ash, you did a good job. Big up Ash anyway you're there. Ash, me love that. Big up Champagne. I'm a right hand. Trust me, the youth good. And big up Conrad. Can't forget Conrad. Nicole, you did a good job. Big up the president, Donovan. You know already. Donovan, you did a good job. The whole squad did a splendid job. Trust me. So with my last tune that me I go play before we call it a night. Voice outside the one, Mr. Wayne Marshall. And you know already, without God, me wouldn't dare. So give God thanks. Watch Ray! Yo, next time I'm gonna get a fan, man. Alright, I want to thank you guys for coming out supporting me. Look out for Mike Brown. You're not already, me ready. Dangerous. In the meantime,
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to be.
our Redeemer, saving grace. I know I'm not worthy to see your face. I try hard, but I make mistakes. You're still by my side every step that I take. Through every heartache, you get the praise. You are my guide, I'm a shield always. Every time me I gaze and I play hard days, you still show mercy and keep me safe. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God. All powerful, omnipotent, shine down your glory, your magnificence. When you build a fence, it make all the difference. Step in on my life and take precedence. Be the captain, the pilot, the teacher. Be the head and the boss and the leader. Be my guide, my shepherd and my keeper. Beginning and the end, you are the Alpha Omega. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God. Even when they plot and scheme and try to stop me. Even when them try them best to take my glory, I leave it in your hands, my Lord. Yeah. I leave it in your hands, my Lord. Yeah. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God. I said, Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory,
yeah. God has forgiven us of our sins. Likewise, we must forgive those who have hurt us. Come on, people. God is love, and love covers a multitude of sin. Let love flow. Let it go, and let God arise in your hearts. Glory be to God.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God.